Yes. Hello, my good friends and my good people. I welcome you guys to Let's Educate Each Other, okay? So, you guys know how we normally do it every Sunday and Wednesday, exactly 9 o'clock. If I take a little bit much of your time, it should be 9:20. So, for me to do the write up and the rest of it. So, I'm so sorry for coming a little bit later also today. So, what are we going to be discussing today is a very important topic, you understand, because this time around a lot of things is happening, a lot of things going on in different homes and all the rest. So, but first of all, I have to say happy Sunday to you all once again. For my fellow Christians or Catholics, happy Palm Sunday, because I know that most of our Catholic Church, they celebrated it all worldwide, you understand. I said a very big happy Sunday to you all. So in today's edition, we'll be talking about a very vital topic, you understand. And also, before I forget, let me also say, I hope you guys went to church, despite it has been raining all day over here where we are. Starting from the morning, okay, it has been raining all this while, so but I hope some people still do go to church. So I hope you really have a wonderful church service today. So without wasting much of your time, we have to start. Now you know how to do it. Please let me just quickly make this announcement. I've been online since morning. None of you send me message privately. Not now I'm starting this program, you start sending me private message. First of all, for your information, please, I will not reply any message to you. I will not answer you. And don't even dare call me. Because if you call me, I'll not pick your call. If you want to call me directly on this program. Let's do it together, okay? Don't start calling me privately, because whatever you want to tell me privately, if you can't tell me here live now, you can wait. Then later you can call me and tell me that. But for now, I'm live now. I'm in serious business. So don't call me. So thank you for that announcement. Okay, secondly, you guys know how we normally do it. You call in, then I bring you to the camera, you make your own comments, then you call in or you send in your comments. I will read it. I'm here to serve you guys, okay? You know how we do it every Sunday and Wednesday from 9 o'clock till 12 midnight. So that's how it's going to function today. So once again, you're welcome to today's edition. Okay, so let me just let the cat out of the bag. What I mean, let me just say the topic, then I will make the line open so you can call and let us hear your own point of view. And please, if you try calling and it's not calling and it's not connecting, please let me know on time if I have to restart the program, because sometimes we do have network problem that you won't allow people to call in. So you try it now. If you have that same problem, you let me know on time so I can be able to restart the program, so that you can be able to call, because everybody's opinion is needed in this program and it's very important for all of us all. So thank you for that. So today's topic is it right for couples, as I mean, in this case now we are talking about families today. We have been dealing on youth, on relationships. So on today's topic, we are going to be dealing on, is it right for husband and wife, I mean couples in general, to be abusing themselves in front of their children? That is one. Then secondly, is it right, in some homes, women are like the head of the family, they control the man. Maybe the man lost his job or something like that. They are the one bringing money for the family upkeep, or for other reasons. They will now start riding on the man. So the topic is now, is it right for a woman to be in charge of what is happening at home? So this is the two topics we are going to be dealing on today. I know that this topic is very heavy, and some people might hate me for this, or some people might like me for this, but I don't care. All we have to do is for us to impart each other with this particular program. You understand? The title of the program is Let's Educate Each Other. Nobody knows it all. Okay? What you know might be different from what I know, and what I know might also be different from what you know. So what you are doing here is for you to learn and also impart others. That is the purpose of this program. So thank you as you join us. So I'll be freeing the line now. You can call me now to make your own contribution, and also you can write in your own comment. So, but I have another very vital information to pass across, and I think this is a very good news. I'll be announcing it as the time goes on. I'll be announcing it. So the point is, I'll be inviting a guest speaker on 1st of who is tampering with my electronics down there. So sorry for that. Sorry for that alarm that is blowing. Just something happened downstairs and it will be taken care of in a few minutes. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, it has already been taken care of, like I said. So it's a very good news I want to share across, and I will continue repeating it till the end of the program. We'll be having a very nice guest speaker that will be talking to us first week of next month, and is my mentor, is my reverend, is my pastor, Pastor Precious, Reverend Pastor Precious Osadege. I'll be inviting him on this program. He's a father, and he's also a mentor. He's a teacher. I'll be inviting him in this program first week of next month. And I know this is a great opportunity for us to learn a lot of things from him. He have been into teaching and mentoring people for years. So I guess it's a very good news for all of us that are watching this program. We are going to learn a lot of things from him. So please do tell your friends about it. I'll be inviting him on this program on first week of next month, be it Wednesday or be it Sunday. I'll be inviting him, so he will speak to us as a father and also teach us. So that's a very good step we are taking. So I believe you guys that have been following this program, I know you are going to be happy to hear this. So just keep a date with us. First week of next month, I'll be inviting him to speak to us as a father and as a mentor and as a teacher. So please tell your friends and let's also learn from what he's going to teach us that very day. So back to what we are doing today. The topic remains: is it right for couples to abuse themselves in front of their children? And secondly, is it right for women to be in charge of the family, as in to be in charge of whatever is happening in the family? So before I start reading the comments, let me just say what I think. As a presenter, at least I have to do contribution to the topic we are discussing. Then after saying it, then I will make the line open. You can call, you can send in your comments. So first of all, the first topic is it right for couples to abuse themselves in front of their children? When we say word abuse, it doesn't mean maybe you are abusing. Just word abuse means to insult, to beat, or to harass each other in front of the children. So let me quickly say this. As a man, you don't need to caution your wife in the front of your children. Even if that situation is so hard that you need to caution her at that particular moment, I think you have to endure. You're a man. You have to have the heart to endure something for that moment. Allow the children to go out. You can just send them an errand. Just send them out for them to go out so you can be able to have time with your wife. But if you don't have any means of sending them out, you just allow it to calm down. At the middle of the night, when you know that those children have gone to bed, you go to your rooms. I believe couples do have their own private rooms. You go to your rooms, you talk to your wife. Okay, look at what you did. Look at what you did. I don't really like this. Please, next time take correction. Don't allow this to happen again. At least talk to her. You correct her, because nobody is perfect. She can also correct you. And for some women, you see your husband coming back from work. You don't know how stressful that is for him. You start calling him lazy man, idiot, or kind of a sort of name. Start giving him names in front of your children. What do you want those children to learn? What are you imparting in the life of those children? What are you trying to teach them? You are just trying to make things get more difficult for them in the future, because once they start learning those things from you, believe me, once they grow up and get married, definitely they will also do that to their own husband or to their own wife as well. So please, let's mind the kind of word we use against each other in front of those children. I believe with that, we're going to make a better place for our youth that are coming up, because this program is mainly designed for the youth, for us to know our left and right, to understand. Please, that's one. I don't want to finish everything, so at least I want to give a room for other people to still make their own contribution. That's what I normally do. I don't want to finish everything once, so I will still be contributing as the program goes on. So secondly, for the one that said the second question, we said, is it right for women to be in charge of what is going on in the house? Because for me, it's not right for one person to be in charge of what is going on in the family, because maybe sometimes the husband now lost his job, he doesn't have any means of getting income again to feed the family. Maybe the woman will now start behaving, because I'm the one that is bringing the food, I'm the one that is taking care of the children, I'm the one doing them. She will not start ordering the man around. It's not good. Let's learn how to respect each other despite the situation, because no situation that is going to last forever. It's just a matter of time. Okay, with this, at least your children are watching, they will say, mommy or daddy is a good person, and I would like to live like mommy. I would like to learn what mommy or daddy is doing. But when you start abusing your husband, calling him sort of names, telling him lazy man, you don't even know how to take care of your family. Look, I'm the one fetching for putting food on the table for the family. Because you work now, you earn money, and he's not working. That doesn't give you right to start taking charge of what is happening in the home. So please, let's try and also reason before we do anything we are doing. So I have to stop my own contribution for here, but I'll still contribute more as the program goes on. So now the line is now open for you to call and make your own contribution. I will bring you to the camera, then you talk to us in the language you understand in these two topics we are dealing on today. So thank you for joining us today again. Please, like we do it, please keep on sharing the program, invite your friends, because sometimes Facebook notification to everybody doesn't used to be fast, but when you share, tell them, the program already started, definitely I know they will love to join. Like I made the announcement before, I've talked to one of my mentor, my reverend, my pastor, and he agrees that he will be talking to us first week of next month. Understand? And the topic we are going to give room for you to ask him some certain questions, something that is confusing you, that you need to understand, that you need to know. I believe he's going to answer you, and he's going to let you know one or two things you have to know as a youth. Understand? He's a mentor. He teaches and he also coaches. Understand? So I'll be inviting him on one of our program next month. So please tell your friends and also keep date with us. I know you're going to be, as in, you're going to be happy that you participate on that program. So thank you so much. The line is now open. In case you are joining us, you don't know the topic, you can ask me. I will repeat the topic, and let's also do everything sharp. Okay, we have the first caller in the building. Let me bring him on the camera so we can start on. So as you are adding the first caller, maybe after the first caller, then I'll go to the comment box and see what we have there. Okay, my brother, you're welcome to the program today.
I good to Baba. Good to your side now.
I bless God. You're welcome.
I good to.
Okay.
What will be the issue today now?
The issue, but I have to give you the first. I'll have to give you the good news first. Then I'll tell you the topic for today.
Yeah.
Then the good news is that I've talked to my mentor and my coach and my reverend and pastor as well. So he said he would be glad to join us first week of next month. So I'll bring him on. I'll bring him on live so everybody can be able to ask questions. What you don't understand, you're able to ask questions. He will reply you and give you what will encourage you in life. So he teaches me, and I learn from him a lot. So I'll be glad to bring him on the camera. I know you'll be happy to see him as well.
Okay.
Okay. So let's go for the topic for
today. Any question on the door? Yeah, hit me.
Okay, make I hit you the topic for today. The topic for today.
Hit me. Yeah. But I not feel read what you write for this. So
make I just tell you straight away. The first topic be is it right for couples to be abusing themselves in front of their children, as in to be beating each other or to be insulting each other in front of their children? That is one. Then the second topic is it right for
I'm as we first thought the first one, I'm answer.
Okay.
So the first one is not possible for you to maybe you and your wife they get problem in presence of your daughter.
Okay.
You understand? So if you not get any issue, the children must they sleep first, or that maybe they school or those kind of things. So if the quarrel continue in the presence of those kids, they will not be happy, you understand? So that's that day I think get the sense rich.
Okay. You try now, no easy. Then the second one. The second question is it right for women to be in charge of what is happening in the home, to be in charge of their family affairs?
So, as in, if the both husband and wife older happy?
Yes, if they are together in the house, is it right for woman to be in charge of what is happening? As in, be in charge of family affairs. In some families, their wife will be like controlling the husband and doing all sort of things. So, is it right for woman to be in charge?
No. But I never married shower hair, but to the best of my knowledge, normal. If you don't marry, only waiting man if he provide for woman money, take go buy some kind things, put for us. Waiting you need all those kind of things. Say maybe the woman want take her say man. So say the.
Whatsoever, this is not problem where they go the whole world wide. Are they serious now? If you don't want to, please, you can leave. I don't need any disturbance here, please. Sorry for that, please. Talk
So
to hearing
say
you.
maybe the woman want can take over everything. Say man, now she be the woman for us. It's not
Yes.
possible. But normally, you get part where woman they play. If you be responsible woman, you get part where you go they play.
Yeah.
If you be responsible man, you get what you need to they do to make your woman be okay for us. You understand?
Yeah. But you know, in some cases, the husband may lose his job, and he don't have any. He's not the one bringing the money for food again. You see the woman now start controlling. He say, "See useless man like you. I mean, they bring money where they use the cook. And you see want me to come they bath the children, come they do this one, come they do that one." So you know some
Yes.
women are like that.
Well, the topic, sha, more you use take the advice ourselves because
Yes.
my brother, true not say make dem not talk am.
Yeah.
I agree the people wey dey the house. True not say make dem not talk am.
Yeah.
Before you dey talk anything about marriage, you need to have something, or as in you as a man, you need to have something for yourself first before you dey talk anything about marriage, because e no get, I know say man, is due to the way e still get some women wey be say man dem dey take care of man, the outside are not the hear. But e get where dem dey fit do reach, outside must hear one day. You understand? So it's not good for you not to have something doing and you just go into marriage like that. It's
No,
not
you know
possible.
what I'm really trying to say is that you know see some people now, like for instance, who use this Europe with as example now. You understand? You fit get work, the man fit get work. Now you know, say a contract they take the work for Europe here now.
Yes.
Some will get 6 months contract, some will get 1 year contract. And after that 1 year contract, or after that 6 months contract, the man work go finish. And sometimes it go take like 2 years or 5 years for you to get another job.
Yes.
And now the woman then in position to provide money, maybe to buy some gold space there, to buy some certain things. Now, is that one give that woman right to now start ordering you around as nobody?
But if it happen to be like that, if not good woman, you go bear with her husband.
Fine.
But
That is not what I want to get.
If you not be good woman, she not fit bear. You understand? You know say they say motor wey go reach Kaduna, if we see her, you go know say man, this one go fit reach Kaduna. So now the right from time, I make them the same date first before marriage. Not just the kind of say maybe you 1 or 2 things they weigh you down. Say man, if you just jump girl, say I just married things now. You know just possible like that. The thing they hard. You understand? First try know the person. Lucky do be say man, the woman wey you want marry to. If mama ask her say man, you take time to know this woman, you know how e be. Wetin come be the if you marry her tomorrow, wetin you go bear? And the truth marry the girl. Later the thing get it go away.
You can't get K-leg.
Yeah, it take care of you understand. So that's why sometimes at least more they try date first, because me myself I did friend girl. If I did friend girl, I did observe the girl say man, this one not fit be woman material. You understand? Maybe the girl go see they look me say man, I not fit still be man wey be say man, I go fit take care of her. You understand? So for me, I always like observe first before a relationship, before anything. You not go even get belle because no man, we never talk about marriage. You understand? You know, that's not be true. That's the way they not talk. Normal level. That's so the life you'll be. It's good to observe woman. You understand? Most women good. Most men still good. But one side, if you go jump the one way not good, the thing they affect. They affect well. You understand? So my father not create my mother as a single mother. So I know if he create another woman as a single mother. You understand? So that's just the life. Need to observe and make sure say my things go well. If you marry. If I don't marry, I don't even do Facebook again. They come up for Facebook.
No, be like, you know, you're supposed to, but you go caution yourself for some certain area.
That's what it's supposed to be, because if you marry, many things they will be saying that you go drop.
You caution yourself with.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. Don't be will be saying that you still marry, you still go the first small girl they toast for outside. Wait, one pour you speak. I agree to Baba. I think they watch you, Sha.
No,
my friend don't even consent.
Okay, just there around me, see what people to go. What other people still talk now.
Okay, bro.
Yeah,
okay,
share and so your friend will still join, because this is a very
yeah,
nice topic.
Definitely, I'm gonna share now.
Okay, no problem. All right, thank you so much.
Okay,
I'm going to hear from other people now. No problem.
Okay.
Yeah. So you guys have heard what our brother just said. Our brother Essay from all the way from Germany, because he normally join us on this program. He's now a regular customer. Let me use that word, a regular customer. You guys know what I mean by a regular customer. So please, let's us, the topic we are dealing with. In case you are joining us, you don't know the topic, you can call in and ask me. I will make that topic clear to you, or you can ask through the comment. I will repeat the topic. So let me quickly go to the comment box and see what we have there. Okay, this one is coming from Tahufa Abubakar. Abubakar said, good evening. Okay, you're welcome. Mike Sama said, hi. Okay. Lucky said, beautiful. Okay. We have Lucky again. Lucky said, good evening. Okay. Okay, what's happening? Then this one is coming from It's Kevin. It's Kevin said, beautiful. Okay. This one is coming from AC Anderson, the caller that just left now. He said, happy Sunday, okay? You heard that. This one is coming from Josephine John. Okay, Joseph John, he said, happy Sunday, okay? You're welcome. And this one is coming from, who do we have here? Good evening, everyone. Okay, you're welcome. Lizzie King said, Naso, my brother, okay? You're welcome. Please, like I said before, private message, call me right here on this live call. If you have anything to tell me, I will make it clear to you, or you will talk to us, everybody will hear you. Calling me on private call or calling me normal call will interrupt the program. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God, because I won't answer your call. If you want to call, if you don't, for instance, you don't know how to call live here on call, please ask person that is closer to you to tell you, okay, I want to join this program, I want to call this program. Call, teach me how to call. Or if you don't know, just write me that you want to call, you don't know how to do it, then I will try and see if your name is here at the list. I may add you up for you to talk, okay? Please, don't be offended I didn't pick your call privately, but if you really want to talk to me, and you want to talk to everybody, please write it here that you want to call, then I'll bring you to the camera, or you call me direct, or ask somebody to help you to make the call. So that's what I can be able to tell you. Let me try and see the person that called me private and see if he was trying to call me here. He didn't get me. So I'm adding him up because his name is on the list. So let's see if he's going to pick. If he picks it, fine. If he didn't, we go to him. Okay. Finally, he picks it. Good evening. Hello.
I'm here with you.
Okay, so what do you have to say about the topic we are discussing today?
Very good. Thank you.
Okay.
Good evening.
You're welcome.
Wait till that my guy talk.
Yes.
I want pick some for inside. So I want contribute for inside for when that guy talk.
Okay, feel free, contribute. Feel free, make your own contribution.
As you see me, so I use my whole body start.
Okay.
As you see me, I don't marry, I dey into marriage.
Okay.
So what did that guy talk just now? Say maybe man wey dey responsible, he have to get job or anything. The line. You ask me, I dey work.
Yeah.
Before I get, I know wetin woman when I marry do for house.
Yes.
When I dey.
Yeah.
Now so your need dey come.
Oh.
You know anything. Now so this one no do this one. This. I come out, start work. The same problem.
Yeah.
Now so by default one day. Now so 1 month maybe I not take money come house. Problem. Now so you not bring money come. Your mates they bring money. Your mate don't buy land. You waiting that they do for there. You don't know. You yourself where they talk. May you come see wetin dey happen for this Europe where we did.
Yes.
Yo, now you then Nigeria. You not bring money. You not do this one. According to that word where that guy talk. Yes.
Yeah.
So many days we go be say e get wife for us, and for this Europe e no get work. Maybe the woman get access to get a job. E dey do. E go say the man, I go work, come, I come cook for you, you come eat.
Yeah.
You come dey see say you be man for the house. So whatever thing you tell me, I no go take because you just like jobless.
Yeah.
Go see your mate, dey do soro. they go. It's not maybe that one they do shoro, if they earn money, say me myself go still go do that the same thing. Maybe I go. I no go see one naira. Tomorrow I go, I no see anything. Next tomorrow, I no go tire. Because not because we go call that guy, not be call me.
Yes.
Maybe that shoro not be my own calling.
Yes.
Now that work my calling.
I like that one we're talking about. Say calling. So none of your calling, maybe the son of that guy calling.
So now the woman have got tell me now say your mates they do that shoro. You know if you do, you are a lazy man. Whereas I'm not a lazy man.
No, true talk, you talk. What you talk makes sense. Forget how they laugh because I know what you they laugh because the experience person not pass through one person they see every day.
Okay. Standing from one place to the other, nothing come out for it.
Yeah.
My brother, go kill yourself.
No, you cannot kill yourself. Well,
Kill yourself.
yeah.
So I can't tell you now say you are not a responsible man because say you not go do he go say no food for you today.
Set up food for you.
Yes,
God go help us for women hand in Jesus' name.
you go out, go find money. You dey expect me I can't go work, cook for you, may you eat. But before you know me, say I don't get work.
Okay.
Or maybe before I know you not get work. God can't bless you, you can't get small thing what you dey do.
Yeah.
You can't dey feel purpose say you don't dey work, me not dey work.
Yeah.
Say nobody be lazy person. As woman, she not be lazy person. Me myself, I not be lazy person. I just say the place where we situation the way it be.
Yeah, condition.
I think see am.
Yeah.
So what you say because of that one, say man, you must work when you know say you put woman for us. Yes, definitely, yes, that one you must work.
Yeah.
If you get the access, work.
Yeah.
No man lazy.
Yes.
No man lazy.
Yeah. Thank you so much for that.
Okay. Except say the man where you say on Europe can't look woman hand.
No, we'll still talk about that topic one day.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
now, thank you so much for your own wonderful contribution. Let's see what other people have to say. Let's bring another person to the camera. So thank you for that contribution. I hope you're gonna stay back and hear what other people are saying. So just share the program and invite more people. Let's see what people are going to contribute in this program. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Bye. So you guys have heard what our brother just said. He said maybe Sharon are your own calling and Sharon will be own calling. So our wives, our women where they has, please, I beg all of you in the name of God. Don't take because of Ada husband, they bring for 4,000 euro, they come for you. Your husband, they bring even 100 euro, come for you. You never smell nose for ground, may know waiting that I'll be at that husband they do to get that kind of money. Like as our brother just called now said that your own calling might be different from that person's calling. So please, all we need is for your maximum cooperation. Cooperate with your husband. Marriage is a team. Being couples is a team, not a war union. No, a football just in form of like a football team. If you enter a football team, even though you are having a problem with your teammates, once you people enter into that football pitch, you have to reconcile because all you people need is to win that match. Even if you are not talking to each other, once you go into that football pitch, you have football in your leg. You have to pass for your teammates for us to score and win that goal. That's exactly how relationship and marriage is. Please, it's not entitled that one person must be the breadwinner of the house. No. Our people, they make parable to say, person wey get money may bury father, no be firstborn and key father. If I talk of my language now, some of you know understand now. I just translate and talk for English now so that everybody go feel understand what I talk. Make I repeat am. Person wey get money make he bury papa, no be firstborn na keep papa, because they talk say na firstborn na always the bury papa. No, if you even know na the last born, even know the middle person na get the money, bury papa, because no be last born na keep, no be firstborn or last born na keep papa. So that's just the main thing. So please, what am I trying to say is that anyhow way hand reach you, not because of say they enjoy today, you want use account turn your husband to housemaid or turn your wife to housemaid. No, it's never been done anywhere. It's never been done, because that hand wey feed you today, you must still need it tomorrow to feed you again. So please, let me not talk much. Let me still go back to the comment box and see what we have there. Okay, this one is coming from Yushel said, good evening. She always participates in this program. She always make a nice contribution. So this one is coming from Serena J and Franco. Say hello everyone. Okay, you're welcome to the program. Please, like I said before, we have a good news in the house. Let me repeat the good news. Then in case you don't know the topic and you want to call or you want to ask for the topic, feel free to do. You know how we guys normally do it. In case you are joining us for the first time, we do it every Wednesday and on Sundays. You understand? Starting from 9 p.m. to 12 midnight. So feel free, write us or call us to to make your own comments. Understand? So the good news we have at the house is that first week of May, I'll be inviting our first guest that will be talking to us like a father. He's a mentor, he's a teacher, he's a life coach. His name is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odigie. He's my reverend. I'll be inviting him on this program for him to teach us and as in speak to us like a father. So please, if you have any question, you have something that is confusing you, you would like to ask him, please make preparation for your questions and your contribution on that day topic, because it will be the first week of May. You understand? So please get prepared. Please, and also tell your friends. I don't want it to be in a situation whereby you'll be on air teaching us and will not see anybody to listen to him. Please make sure you tell your friends that first week of May we have a guest that will be telling us more in this program. So thank you very much for that. For this announcement. So let me quickly go back to the comment box and see what we have there. Okay, this one is coming from Selena Jane Franco. Said, Oga Kris, stop to the cut word from person mouth to allow us to finish first before you say thank you to us. Okay, I'm so sorry. You know, sometimes we need to cut off, because if you leave one person to be talking, other people will not see chance to call in. Okay, please, you just call, make your point, and you allow. This is not just one person conversation. You understand? Please, I'm so sorry if I'm cutting word for people's mouth, but I'm just trying to make sure that everybody contributes and everybody say his own mind. Please don't get me wrong, okay? Because if I give everybody time to say whatever he or she have in mind, we are not going to leave here today, and that other person will not be able to call in and make their own contribution. Okay, so what we'll be doing is that if you made that your point, you can still call back again. We'll still give you opportunity to make more points again. Okay, please. Not I'm cutting word from people's mouth. I'm just trying to make sure that everybody participates. So my sister Serena Jane Franco, I know you are forgiving me. I know you have understand the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. So thank you so much for that wonderful understanding. So thank you. So let's keep on going on the program. So please keep on sharing this program. Is it that people have not come back from church? Are they still on church? But I believe that everybody is ready. Please, if you want to make your own calls now, please call now and make your own contribution. Not when it remains 5 minutes to go. You will not be complaining that Oga pick my call. You no one pick my call. No one bring me for camera make I talk. Call now. The time is still there now to 10. At least we still have an extra 2 hours left. So within that extra 2 hours are left, please make use of it now. Share the program. Tell your friends that you already started. Those that don't know, let them know. So thank you. Let me go back to the comment box and see what we have there. This one is coming from Yushel. He said, may I have the topic? Okay, the topic for today is it right for couples to abuse themselves in the front of their children? That is one. That's number one question. That's number one topic. Then the second topic is it right for woman to be in charge of what is happening in the family, as in to take control of everything? You control the man, going out and coming, just be in charge of everything. Is it right? So that's the two topics we are dealing on today. So I guess I have said it, you have heard it, and I believe you're going to make your own contribution. And this one is coming from, say, Nigerian Franco. He said, okay, yeah, I'm so glad that you understand my reason and my point. So thank you so much for forgiving me. I will not do it again, but please just make sure whoever that is calling, just make your point. If you don't have much point to make again, you can still end the call and call back whenever you remember some other thing to add on. Okay, that's how we do, so I can be able to attend to everybody that is calling on this program. So please, like the first caller said, like the second caller said, they are all saying that it's not good for couples. Like the first caller said, the best way to caution your partner, or the best way for couples to talk is when the kids have gone to bed already. Then you call your partner, you call your new couples can come together and reason out things. And most especially, there's one thing I would like to add. You know, they said two people, let me use this word, they said two people cannot be mad at the same time. Sometimes the gravity of what we are causing when some temperature of argument is high is because the other person is trying to claim rights and the other person is trying to explain himself. That will make the gravity of the thing to become more high. But if I may say, if I will say, I will say that it's better when the other one is talking, apply some knowledge, allow that person to finish talking, allow that person to, even if you are wrong, even if you are right, and the person that is complaining, that is making those complaints, are wrong, admit that moment that you are right, that you are wrong. Don't claim right that moment. Allow everything to calm down first. Believe me, if everything calm down in your own leisure time, when that person, you have time with the person, and you tell the person, okay, honey, or sweetheart, or baby, whatever pet name you call each other, said, but you know, say that this way you take the quarrel me before. This thing you're talking about that you're accusing me of, I'm not guilty of it. I didn't do it. But for peace to reign, I have to accept that moment to make sure that we lay good example for our children. Because if I start claiming right to prove to you that I'm right, definitely at the end of the whole thing, you might end up to become another thing. You understand? But please, I'm right. I didn't mean to do that. Believe me, if you come down with that kind of voice and talk, I believe that person, no matter, even though that person a devil, he or she must apologize and said, okay, I'm sorry, let it go. And when she said, I'm sorry, let it go, just let it go. Let it just go like that. But if you keep on carrying it in mind, my dear, you are causing much more problem again. Okay? So the best thing is for you to just let it go. You have already realized his or her mistake. And for you to do such a thing, that shows a good respect, a good mother or a good father that your children deserve. But if you keep on arguing, I was the one that is right, I was the one, you are the one that is wrong, people cannot come up with a tangible solution. And you know, as I normally speak in parables. I use parable to make some of my talk. They said, another parable said that a good voice and a calmed voice and a lower voice quenches the anger that is 100 degrees. If person they shout now, I will do so, I will do that, I'll kill you, I'll do this, you just can't say, brother, waiting happen. Just calm down, You just lower your voice down, talk to the person. Definitely, that person must also surely calm down. But if that person is, and you yourself, at the end of the day, you guys will not achieve anything. That's why they always say that two goalkeeper, two portiere, two goalkeeper can never be in one post. If two goalkeeper be in one post, they will score goal tire. Because when they play the shot, this one will say catch am now, this one will say catch am now, before you know, ball don enter goal. You understand? And again, goat wey two people dey feed, hungry dey kill am. Later I will tell you wetin I mean by that word, but you try understand what I mean. Goat wey two people dey feed, hungry, na him dey kill am. Make I go to the comment box. Let's continue. Okay, this one is coming from Serena Franco. Said, I beg, today has to be very long because there's holiday tomorrow. Out next, okay, there's holiday throughout next week, so no sleep, no sleeping. Okay, I hear, no problem. as much as you can be able to carry, I will try my possible best and see what we can do. Then this one is coming from Lucky Joseph. He said nice, okay. Lucky Joseph also said happy Sunday, okay. This one is coming from Sena Gianfranco. He said, ha ha ha, you are so funny, okay. He said his Bet's name. Who said his Bet's name? Okay, okay. Maybe I don't really get that, but you make me understand. Okay, this one is coming from Miracle Jane. Miracle Gold. Okay, sorry, it's coming from Miracle Gold. Miracle Gold said the reason why some women they complain is that she's the only one working, taking care of the children. It's not because she's controlling the man. She wants good thing out of the man so that they can plan the future together, not the man sitting at home doing nothing. Wow, that's a very good contribution. Thank you so much for that contribution, Miracle Gold. Your contribution is okay. Okay, so Nigerian Franco just laughed out loud. Okay, I hear. So let's keep on moving. Let's keep on moving higher. Please keep on sharing the program. Keep on inviting your friends because I know you guys has been doing a great job. Please keep on doing that. I know we have a lot of things to gain to learn from this particular topic because it's happening in some homes. You see some women, they will be like being in charge. That I'll be the one in control of what is happening. If they never talk, put a full stop, or if their husband talk, they never conclude on their own. If they never put their own contribution, if they never backway their own. Yeah. Most of you will understand what I was trying to say. If they never backway their own, no ask me what in that backway mean. No. But people where they watch, some people will understand what I mean by backway. If they never backway their own, they never rajunje their own, they never put their own in. The thing will never hold. So that's what I'm asking now, and that's the topic we are dealing on today. Is it right? Is it right? So though, despite what our sister said is true, but in some cases those men are trying just because that they lost their job. Mostly here in Europe we work with contracts. Maybe they sign 3 months contract for you, and after that 3 month contract, the capo or the boss said, your contract is over. You have to wait. When the company needs you, they will call you back. And that's when company needs you, doesn't have a date. It might be 2 years, it might be 1 year. So it doesn't mean that for that man to stop working because of the contract is finished, you will now start making jest of him and start treating him as if he never worked it before. So please, this topic is a very nice topic we have to contribute to. So let me just take small quantity of what I understand because talking is not easy, okay? And I still have about 3 hours to talk. So can't you see? So I need to refill the engine, you understand? Maybe like say who they doing. Okay, we have another one coming from say Nigerian Franco. He said, you say honey, baby, or sweetheart, whatever bet name. Okay, I mean pet name, pet. Maybe my pronunciation you don't understand. I mean pet name, not bet name, okay? Sorry for that if you misunderstand what I was trying to say. I mean pet name, okay? Thanks for that anyway. You mean pet name, you call them. That is what you said. That's got me laughing. Okay, thank you for that. But I was trying to say pet name, okay? So that one join. Understand? So the topic still remains. Is it right for couples to abuse themselves in front of their children? And also, is it proper for a woman to be in charge of what is happening in the family? So please, make your point of view, make your own contribution. Say it here now, not when I will be offline now. You start calling me or you start writing message. I should read your message. Who will I read your message to? Write it now, then I will read it out. People will benefit from that, and you also benefit from what people will say. Okay? Don't call me when the program is over and you start saying this one, that one. Please. And also, I have a great news, good news for you people, for my fellow members. Okay? I'll be inviting a man of God that will be talking to us like a father and also like a mentor. So please join me first week of next month. I'll bring him. He'll be our guest to talk to us. So please, I hope that this topic we are dealing on today is interesting and is a very nice one that we'll have to learn from. So please keep on sharing, keep on telling your friends the program is on already. You understand? So let us educate and learn from each other. Thank you so much for joining us. The comment box is free and the call app, I guess the call app is working very well today. It's working perfectly. It's okay. No problem. So you can call, make your contribution, and let's learn from you and you learn from us as well. Okay, have another caller in the building. Let's accept that caller and hear what he has to say. So please, we have him already in the camera. So you're welcome, my brother.
Good evening, my brother.
You're welcome so much. So happy Sunday, and how was your day?
Thank God, and yours?
Bless God. God is wonderful. God is faithful. So I hope you heard the topic of today.
No.
Okay.
I'm just coming in.
Okay. We have two topics for today. And before that, we have a great news, a wonderful news to share with our viewers. First week of next month, I have spoken with my Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odigie. He's going to be our guest speaker first week of May. So please tell your friends, tell your family members, tell whoever you love that he should join us on this program that very first week of next month. It should be either it's on Wednesday or on Sunday, but before then I will still announce it for people to know the particular day, understand. So he's going to teach us.
Oh, that would be great.
So he's going to teach us. Yeah, he's going to teach us. So prepare your questions, what you are confused about, you want to learn. Just put it down now, and then prepare and wait for that very day. He will be able to answer your questions and also give answer to your question. Just write it in and I will read it out. He will answer you. Okay, set to today's question. Today's topic is it right for couples to abuse themselves in front of their children? That is number one. Then second one is it right for women to be in charge of what is happening in the family?
Okay, those are the two questions.
Yeah, these are the two things we need to learn about this
night.
Wow.
See, these two questions. It's just all about women. woman. Okay. Well, well, as for my opinion, let me just say good evening, everyone. I greet everyone.
Okay.
And happy Sunday to everyone.
Yeah, we receive your greetings. Yeah.
As for my opinion, it's not right for you it's not right for parents to have some disagreements related of their kids, because kids learn from their parents. They learn, like for example, if you are a smoker and your child always see you smoke, one day we start learning. This is how my daddy always do it. I hope you're getting me. This is how my daddy always do it. And from there, himself will become a smoker. Like if you normally beat your wife, if that your child is a male child, if he has a girlfriend, he will still do the same thing. Say, this is how my daddy do to my mommy. My mommy don't normally talk. Yes, now my mommy don't talk to my daddy anyhow. Why this girl will be talking to me? My mommy is legally married to my daddy, and my daddy cannot say one, and my mommy say two. Now I'm not even married to you. You are telling me, are you mad? Slap. Because
don't leave one for
that is what he had learned from home. Because charities begins at home.
At home.
That is what I've seen about that. If you are your wife, you have any issue, as a girlfriend, maybe you have issue with your girlfriend and your friend is around, instead of it to be exposing your secret to that your friend, why not allow your friend to leave first? Then you can tackle your girlfriend inside room. Understand what I'm trying to say? And
yes,
if you are your wife, you have issue where your children are with you, maybe you are angry with your wife. But once your children come around, maybe you are sitting room with your wife, your children comes around, you have to maintain that wisdom as the father of the house, as the man of the house. Just make good example try to put smile on your face, try to make sure that your children do not know what is happening. Understand? You can even hold your wife at that spot, kiss her, do something lovely to make sure that children will not even find out that something is happening. Because later in the night,
I have to clap for you on this one.
Yes, now. You and your wife will sleep in the same bed. Iron your issue with her.
Yeah.
Do whatever you want to do with her. Inside the room is between you and him, you and her. I hope you are getting what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Leave the children out of it.
Yeah, I'm following.
Whatever you do,
everybody's listening.
whatever you do, they are learning from you. That is just the point. Whatever you are doing, they are learning from you. You will see some men will say, some people will say, I want to get married now. I have to throw away this. I want to throw away this character. This character of dirtiness.
Yeah.
This character of I don't barb my hair always. This character of drinking, this character of smoking. I don't want my children to meet me in this character. Why are they saying that? Because they don't want their children to imitate bad character from there. They want to leave that part so that if their children coming up, they will see the in good character so that the children will behave well. Because when your children come out and disgrace itself, it's not disgrace itself alone. It degrades you as well. I hope you get what I'm saying.
True.
It degrades you as well because, like for example, they will say, who is the father of this child? Who is the father of this guy? Say,
children.
So man. Yeah. That man is very useless. Exactly. That man is very useless. You see what? Because they will not even insult the boy. They will start insulting the boy's parents because if parents. They have taught that boy very well, will not wait outside and misbehave. I hope you get what I'm saying.
Okay.
So that is
I'm following you.
The second question is what?
Why is it right for woman to be in charge of what is happening in home?
Yeah, that question based on the love you have for your wife. Your wife can be in charge of some things, but not all. Understand? For example,
this case is all.
No, now it's not possible.
Okay.
Our people will say that I don't also do.
Let me explain something. You know, say in this age we are now, sometimes it can be like saying that women can't marry the men for house because you go see man go decide to do something. The woman never approve and that's not going to happen. You understand?
Yeah. At that point, you are saying if maybe you want to do something, if your wife do not approve it, that thing will not happen. It's not because of you could do that thing. It's because of the respect and you believe in. Let me make you understand one thing. There are some women that they will tell you not to do this thing. If you do it, it will not favor you.
Okay.
I hope you are getting me.
Okay.
If you marry a wife, when you marry, you will know the kind of woman you have. There are some women that if they dream, if they told their husband exactly what they dream will happen. Those kind of women, their husband do not play with them. Because, for example, her husband want to invest some money in business. He has to tell her wife.
Yeah.
Because eventually he do that business without the consent of his wife. If anything happens, he will blame himself. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So that does not mean that she is the head of the family. No.
Okay. Let me see throw more light on what you are discussing. You know, in some areas, you know, for instance, let me use this Europe we are in as an example now. We are here in Europe now. You know how work functions here in Europe now. They work with contracts. You understand? Sometimes the man might get contract work of 3 months. And after that 3 months, it might take like 2 years, 5 years, 1 year, it depends. Or 6 months before they will call the man again for work. And in this period now, the woman is the one now working now, providing for the family now. You know, some women use that as an advantage of riding over that man. Is it right? That's what you are trying to let people know today. That is not right.
Very wrong. Any woman that know God, any woman that have respect, we are still talking the same thing. Charity begins at home.
Yeah.
Any woman that trade very well, that her mother always respect her father, he cannot do that.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying? He cannot do that. No matter how Europe change us, all of us.
Yeah.
No matter we say we are not in Europe, we can do anything. We still know where we came from, my brother.
Okay. Like one of our callers called, give example, he said, so women are in Nigeria and their husband are here in Europe now. Maybe now that woman now they see another woman now, your husband where they abroad now they bring 10,000 euro for every month, and the husband even they bring 100 euro come. You can't go the cost your husband and say no be sure what they do now this one they do. You know I no go do what other people they do. Let's see they bring the money come. Is that one also right for woman to tell her husband that way to speak to her husband in that manner?
You see, let me tell you. Some of us boys, if we got here, we will forget our wife. This is two-way. A woman will always tell you that if really you always say, I do not get, I no get, I no get, I no get. From beginning to the year, you no get. By which now every weekend or sudden you they go club for year. You they go control, they carry women, they spend money for year. But if they call you for home, you say you no get, you no get, you no get, you no get, you no get. That kind of woman, wait you want make you do. Okay, if now woman where be say you know if you go out because you already marry her for house, their culture they forbid person marry go another place. What do you expect it to do? What do you expect her to do? So he have to tell you to do something to improve the way you take the talk. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. That is number one.
Yeah, I'm following
number
you.
Two,
The house is watching.
Number two,
yes,
there are some women who like material things. If they see, not be even abroad issue, if they see any woman like that, buy Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy S10 where newly come out now, tomorrow they'll say if the husband no buy them, no problem. That house no go contain them. The food, they no go cook food. If he get fed, yes now, if he get fed due by mistake, that mistake will take drive car pass her. Now mistake he take, you know now he take get the money, he reach house, your husband get that problem. Yes, then they see those kind of people where be say now those worldly material, and I just the after they need anywhere they rate for market, neither they buy. Those kind of people, those kind of women now, what do you expect? The man go say do mistake, the man go they regret. Why go marry this kind of woman? Go they regret.
Okay.
So my dear, the issue is that if you want to marry, you have to just settle down, at least know the woman very well. In case of tomorrow,
take your time.
Understand? So that is just how it is.
Okay.
So now,
thank you,
my brother.
Okay, thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. I hope you just stay behind and see what other people have to say as well. So I appreciate your contribution. Thank you so much. I know that people in the house are already learned a lot of things from you. So thank you so much.
All right. You take care, my brother.
Okay, now bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Hey, the thing no get caught again, I'll be waiting. Well. Okay, guys, it's becoming more hotter and hotter. You guys have just seen what our one of the last caller just said now, that before you marry, before you settle down as a guy, please ask for God's direction, because there are different kind of people we see in this life. Please, people are sending me private messages. Stop sending me private messages. Send the message right here. I'm not a secret keeper or something like. Send it right here. Don't tell me your own outside. Send it here. If you want to tell me something concerning this program, don't tell me outside. Only it's something that is between you and I. Then you hold on after the program. You can talk to me or you can write me. But for now, please stop calling me on private call, and also stop sending me private messages, hanging the program. Please stop doing that. Thank you for that understanding. Let me quickly rush down to the comment we have at hand. Then we'll continue. Where are we? Okay. I think we are somewhere here. Okay. Yishia said, I'm so sorry, I have not listened. What is the topic? Okay, I'll repeat the topic again. Don't worry, I'll repeat it. This one's coming from Friday Boss. Friday Boss said hi, okay. This one is coming from Said Nigerian Franco. He said, True Talk caller, okay. Okay. What is happening? What is happening? Okay, for the benefit of those that are still joining us for the first time, that are joining the program newly, the topic is it right for couples, I mean husband and wife, to be abusing themselves in front of their children? That's number one topic. Then the second topic is it right for a woman to be in charge of the family, even when the husband says something. If she have not approved it, the talk na no go area. Now she must put law and now she go end down. Is it right to be happening for woman to be in charge of the whole thing? That's number second. As number two, I said number second. That's number two topics. That's number two topic. Okay, we have another caller. Let's hear her out, and I guess she's a girl or she's a lady. Let's hear her voice, or let's hear him voice. Him book. Her book. Why is it not him book? Okay, we have that caller in the building. So welcome to the program. So I guess you know the topic of today. Oh, we lost that caller. Oh, please do call back. Really do care for your contribution. Really do care for your own word of advice. Please call and let us hear what you have to say. Thank you so much. But some people they complain, say why they will say give her book. Why they not say give him book? I beg. Give her book, give him book. So let's hear her, let him sorry. This was coming from Nigerian Franco. He said it's not good for parents to have misunderstanding in the presence of their kids, okay? Because you are actually teaching those kids something. Actually, you just said it all. That's just the simple truth. Please. You know, we have been dealing on single ladies, single mothers, single boy, single girl, boyfriend, girlfriend, women that one, love, trust, cheat, no cheat. Today, make we upgrade more to family level, because one day all of us go still marry. What we learn today, go take and live our family tomorrow, okay? So if we learn that today, no say e no good, I bet I go speak broken English for this one. I go nakam. The way we go take enter, the way we go take sweet. Make I leave all this long grammar, long English where they speak. We say I don't even know what they talk. I don't even go school. I don't even know whether the English where they speak whether even correct. Please, English teachers in the house, if I no correct for my English, I beg. Man, no laugh me. Man, I still correct me small, you know. Put one or two things together for me, I go still learn. Nobody's above learning. So make I use broken knock and where people understand. Now wetin we learn for today program now, because wetin we learn now we take enter, because I know most of us are watching this program are not yet married. Even me, I never married. I know say some of them never still married, some don't still marry. At least maybe they don't feel know them. But for now, they go take and know am. And for us wey never still marry, we go still learn am for now, so we go fit know how we wan take enter our family life tomorrow. Wey be say even though your wife dey provokalize you, as they provoke you, they make you dey paro, you know, dey craze, you know. No do that kind of thing again. For you not to dey paro like that, you dey craze, no do that kind of thing, you understand? You mellow down. If you go kiss am, like one of our callers said, if your children just dey go do am, just kiss am comot. Your children go say, hey, mommy, daddy love mommy too much, or mommy love daddy too much. You no go no say get one skeleton with inside cupboard, we say no go settle later. But for that moment, those children they there, use kissing, use petting, you know, mommy, sweetie, baby, you know, darling. In fact, I so much love the food you cook today, you know. Call her, praise her, you know, make her to feel, you know, a little bit shy in presence of you and your children. When you see when they see every day. But guys go take they praise the girl, they praise the woman now. You can't they feel in head you can't they big, you know. You can't they swell up like bird they put for water. No mind me, na some mouth be shy. Make the program they go the sweet. Now make you talk all those things. At least you praise the girl, you know, encourage her, you know, praise her in a way that those children will not even know that there's a very big thing, a very big deal, a very big issue going on at the background. So you just let everything lie low for that moment. So when those children go out or when they are asleep, then you have your time. You figure it out, you settle it out, and let it die there at that bedroom. You understand? Then you come out, you see that tomorrow those children will be a good product to the society. You understand? Let's make a better place for you and me and for our unborn children. No see Oyibo as they do their things, you know. There's they were in fact, I leave matter for matter here. See, make I go read wetin my people don't send come from the comment box. Now this one is coming from Yusha said respect means not to raise voice, okay? One has to talk and admit the wrong. and never in front of the children. The husband is head of the family. Go up. Our white woman don't talk. No see, choy, choy, choy. Our white woman don't talk. You see, he said respect is a reciprocal, understand. Never you raise your voice in front of those children. They are learning. Like seriously, they are learning from all those things we are doing. Even a sucking baby you have in your arms, like a sucking breast. Have you ever noticed that whenever a baby is sucking breast, he always look at his or her mother's face? Have you ever reasoned and asked yourself some certain question? Why do they do such thing? They are learning. Even if you are breastfeeding them now and you are not smiling, you always squeeze your face like say you and person fight for dream, fight for night, and that person beat you ancient and mother front and back, black and white. You go be in the squeeze face. Now you go see some people, then they laugh. No matter how they play with them, carry them, throw them up and down, they will just squeeze face like say they quarrel with person from stomach before they come word. Always give a smiling face. You know, totally the pikin small as they saw the breast, you go the totally go the laugh small. You go let's say yes, this word, nothing to worry about, just a free word. Thinking someone, putting yourself in a difficulties doesn't make the situation calm, okay? So let's stop abusing ourselves in front of those children. They are learning, they won't learn more faster than us. Take, for instance, in learning of language. You see pikin now, we say you die abroad, though, no be your language, you just born the pikin, bra. You first and come that country, don't spend like 10 years for that country. But for you to speak, come, go, you know, if you sabi speak, but that pikin will just born, bra. Now that pikin will come to teach you the language. So I beg, nítorí Ọlọ́run, Joe, I beg una. I don't even know what I speak now, whether I dey correct. For people they hear Yoruba, you're gonna correct me later, I beg. I must still go back to the topic we're dealing. This one is coming from Lovely Blue. He said, hello, okay, you're welcome. Friday boss said, hello, okay, you're welcome. His silver is on it. He said, his silver said, oh, on my own opinion, it's not right for parents to be insulting each other in the presence of their children. If they have some misunderstanding, it should be in the absence of the children so that they might not copy what they are doing. Okay, that's a very nice one and a very wonderful one. And he said, okay, or else it may create some difficulties in their lives. Wow, this is strong. So I hope you guys are picking something from all this contribution. And this one is coming from Selena J. Franco. Said exactly. Thank you. Okay, this one is coming from Alex O. NS. He said, I greet the house. Okay. Okay, we greet you too. This one is coming from Bibian Hills. He said, husbands remains the head of the family. No matter how rich you are as a wife, you will remain under your man, but men should give women the respect as well. Boza, I hear that one, he enter my head. Choy, he enter. So guys, I know you guys are listening. Bibian Hills said that, I beg, thank you, Mary, adjust well. We are there as now we be the head of the family. Now me carry adjust well. Then I'll come talk with I want talk. Head of the family. I beg, may your head no go because say they call you the head of the family and call the treat your wife anyhow. I beg you, I take God beg you now. Everybody for the marriage, get right. You understand? She's not your slave, it's a teamwork. If you see how they wash plates, if they wash plate, they cook, okay, honey, make her help you, they wash the plates, or they cook now. Wanna go the gist? And let's take for instance, you never see your wife they cook, husband take and they help and they wash plate, then they gist. You know, see that food that they sweet past other food they don't cook before. We say only the wife they cook, they wash. My guy, may not try to be romantic. My fellow guys, no, we try to be somehow romantic. No, we say a wash plate for your wife. We say you don't die. I remember back then in Nigeria, when I was in Nigeria, there's one restaurant there in my city then. You will see big men, they will park their jeep, their car. I just wonder, I just passed across that place. I just put my hand like this. I was just watching. Say, imagine if now house now, these people there now, their husband, their wife content is okay. Men are come wash plates now. They go insult the woman. They even beat her and join on top. But you go see they will park their jeep. Go for where in the wash plate. Now you go wash, you go use a hand wash your plate. You want to take chop, and you go still pay money later. And say, my God, things that happen for this life, sha. But if now go if they reach house, They'll turn their wife to punch bag because say, help me wash plate or clean this little place. Why now? Women, make we wake up now. We are in civilized time now. Let us civilize ourselves. I don't know what be civilized. I don't know what they speak. Oh. No ask me because I don't know. We are here to learn. In case if I don't speak and well, you can just correct me. Right and come and go pronounce. I feel try read the man. I know whether I feel pronounce and well. I don't learn that one be that. So please, men, we are the head of family. We know that. But let us also give women their respect. They deserve our respect. They deserve our pets. They are our babies. They are our kids. Sometimes women do behave like little born baby. All they need is your care and your sweet words. Women are moved by what you told them, but men are moved by what they see. Okay? But women are moved by what you tell them. So let's do more of praising them, Let's unite once again. Okay? Please, stop sending me messages affecting me. Oh, okay, I'll start unfriending all those people that are doing all this thing. If you can't send me message directly into this program, stop sending me on private. It's not going to do me any good in private. Send it right here. I will read it out. What is it? Simple instruction. You guys cannot understand it. What is happening? I'm not insulting anybody, but just follow the rules. Hanging the program is not the best. We are here to learn. Please, let's just follow the rules. Thank you. Let's quickly go over to the other comment. This one is coming from Senator Franco. He said, very correct. Okay. This one is also coming from Bibian Hills. He said, a man values his respect more than anything. Okay. A woman should never ever raise her voice on the man. Okay. Men, because nwa arapụtakwa m ọkpa eru taa ka m wụsụọ n'Igbo here ka ndị ama na mbụ onye Igbo ọkụ ya ma nsogbu adọrọ all still the same. I have to follow up with what I'm doing. I'm not denying my my Eben Sibia. I have to put Eben Sibia first. I'm not going to deny Eben Sibia because Eben Sibia is very, very important for understand what I'm trying to say. Those who hear what I say don't understand. Okay, that's by the way. This one is coming from, okay, I have not finished what I'm trying to go on, what I'm trying to read. He said, men biko also do not raise your voice on the women, because men take advantage of that. Okay, marriage is a teamwork, like I said. Wow, thank you. I'm blushing. Somebody's, point into my, okay. Marriage is a teamwork. Seriously, work on your marriage, men and women. Okay, thank you so much. That one come from Bibiam Hills Hair. In case you are in Nigeria, in this program we promote ourselves. Understand? We make people to know what we're doing. She has been a dealer of Bibiam Hills company. Understand? In case you are in Nigeria, in Enugu State, or in its environment, or any place at all, contact Bibiam Hills for your quality hair. She's gonna deliver, because I've seen some of her products. Some of her products is superb. Let me use that word, superb. Despite I don't know what it means, but some of her product, not all her product, is superb. This one is coming from Yushel. Yushel said, I cook also for my husband when it's 3 or 4 a.m. Just imagine, in the night. You see, a white woman, then he is the king of home. Oh, Abraham, you don't finish work. This woman has just nailed it at the head. That the husband is the king of the... That reminds me. You see, please, women, please listen to this. Your husband is the king of that home, and you are the queen. If you make your husband to be that king that he is looking for elsewhere, you make it to be that king in that home, my sister, believe me, you are not going to like anything. He's not going to cheat on you. But when man starts cheating on you, that means there's something wrong somewhere. There's something you're not doing right. Understand? Please, let's learn from all these comments that are coming in. They are dealing more on comments today. They just want me to be talking. There's no problem. I'll be talking. I'll be reading it out. But I also beg you guys, you should still call and let people also hear from what you're saying. So please, you share. A wise man always join us in this program from all the way from Switzerland. She said her man is the king of the home. So for me, she's the queen. Whether you like it or not, she is the queen. Since she has made her man the king, then definitely she is the queen. So please, let us know how to put our family together. It's a teamwork, not a war front. That one is strong. Men are here. Marriage is a teamwork, not a war front. Thank you. Okay, this one is also coming from Yushel. He said, sorry, when is coming home for 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock? You see? You see? So please, guys, make we still know how we treat our wives. You understand? She's not a slave. She's your teammate. You both are planning to win. Your goals are to win the trophy. You understand? No marriage is so perfect. No relationship is so perfect, but it all depends on how you handle it. Beating your wife doesn't make you a Superman. Abusing your wife, insulting her, dirty woman, this one, that one. Why can't you pick up that thing and do it by yourself? Lead by example. Let her know, okay, you do it this way now. Okay, next time do it this way. If you do it this way, it will work out this way. But you keep on complaining, you never join her in doing it. See, it's not easy. Let's just really hit on this topic, as in on this thing. You're abusing your wife, or your wife abusing your husband in front of your children, calling your husband lazy man, useless man, drunkard, smoker. Why not use that same particular point in time? Pray for your husband. Say, I pray that God will change you, because all this thing you're doing, I know that it's not right, it's not proper, but something is behind it. I pray that God will change you. Use that opportunity they use to abuse an useless man. You don't want to go today, don't go work today, come back. You don't even get anything. Not be your fellow man. They go out there, they will get pack money on house, do this and that one. It's not proper. It's not proper, please. Don't be surprised one day you start seeing that your husband is not coming back home early again. You always wait when you are tired, you already want to go to bed, or the children have already gone to bed. What you will now do is just come back, take his bed, and go to bed. You'll be surprised that my husband don't even talk to me today. Have you asked yourself some questions? What happened? Because he normally used to come back before 6-7. He's rushing to go house. He's rushing to go home to make sure that everywhere sweet. Believe me, if you and your husband dey in peace, believe me, quote me anywhere and I'll prove myself right. If you and your husband dey in peace, whenever he goes to work, whenever he's out of home, to they come back house go dey hungry and 247. You no go even get time for him boy, for him fellow men, him fellow friends. You no go even get time for them. You gonna be like say use jazz, so you like say use medicine because of what? How they play for house, how they discuss, they put ideas together. You go to do and make come back house. But if you are in problem with your husband, my brother, my sister, that place where they, if you get close from work, you just control one of a guy. Hello, guy, fan, where you dey? Now beat me for that joint. Me take one bottle. From taking one bottle, they go enter two bottles. From taking two bottles, they enter 3 bottles. Before you go know, you don't drink like 5 bottles or 6 bottles. Once you don't come back, you don't even get your time. If you even get your time, you just vomit for you for there. This is what they call an drunk now. That drunk way they call an now don't enter anybody. Because most of these things we say in our mouths, they have so much effects to do in our life. They have so many things to do in our life. They have long way to go in our life. You understand? That mouth you used to call him lazy man or drunk or this one, use that mouth, bless him. Hi. You may come back from work today, you don't even see anything. No man they like may go out, come back unfulfilled. Believe me, no man will wake up in the morning, say go work, Go like go work, come back, you know, carry money come, you know, work money come, you know, they happy. No man, they happy for that. Any man will see where they happy like that, no see that man, no be man. As long as say get family, get children, you put people for house, you wake up in the morning, you go work, you come back, you know, carry money come. You will never be happy. And for as the woman not to add much on his problem, all you have to just to wake up, honey, you're welcome, daddy, you're welcome. This one where your face be like this, it be like say, go, no go today, be like say, anywhere, no clear. I beg, may you leave that thing, may you smile for your wife now, may you smile for your lovely children and your wife now. Everywhere go good. If you don't get today, no mean say no, get tomorrow. That kind of encouragement, that kind of word will make that man bring more life into him. You will know that yes, he had a winning team that is working alongside with him. Not you start insulting him, tell him lazy man, he never even work today. You go hopeless, come back. Like what comedy say, you go hopeless, you come back hopeless. That's where they tell that kind of word. What do you expect? You go carry rope hang yourself one day. So please, wife, please, our future wife, because I know you guys are watching, and those are going to watch it later, please. Let's know how to welcome our husband back home. Let's not use quarrel or any kind of thing to welcome them back, because you don't know what they have passed through in the office. You don't know who have made them to be very much angry, or maybe they didn't even see anything for the work that day, and they are coming back to expect that you welcome them home. Encourage them more that things will get better. Instead of telling that person things will get worse, let him know that things will definitely get better. Okay, with time everything will get better. That you no get today no mean say no get tomorrow. Encourage. I see that those children now, they will learn all those things from you. When they have their own home as well, they will also have something to pass to their own children. That's why we will see that this great nation, this future for our born children of great youth we are trying to build together now, we stand. Okay, please keep on sharing this program. Invite, let's hear more comments. Let's hear what people have to say more. Please share this program. Invite. This program is educating. Okay, please. Thank you for that. Let me quickly go back to the comment you have. Okay, this one is coming from you share. He said you have to work on the marriage. Okay, that means the two couples have to work on the marriage. Okay, this one is coming from Ugwam Osa. I don't know, no verse if I mistakenly pronounce your name, or because I no go school to pronounce name. They had me, no verse here. I beg now, so I feel just pronounce and be that. So, but at least you understand. Say at least try to make everybody understand what you write. Okay. Now this one is coming from Ugwas. He said, "Thank you so much for this wonderful work." Okay, you're welcome, my sister. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Either my sister or my brother, whoever that write it. I didn't see your picture very well, but I believe you have heard my own contribution. So much welcome to the program. So please, the program is still on. You can call, make your own contribution. Send your own request, send your own comment. I'm here to serve you, to do justice to each and every one of the topic you send, or every this thing you said. Every comment you write, I'm here to read it and make sure that it gets to everybody's ear. Okay, that's how we do it every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 o'clock p.m. to 12 midnight. So please keep on calling, keep on making your contribution. Let's learn from each other, because I know that this topic is a very nice and interesting one that is going to benefit everybody. Please, let's just keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting our friends, let them know that the program is still on. Now it's to 11. I still have like 2 hours, or 1 hour plus. So please make your own contribution. The line is always open. In case you're trying to call and it's not connecting, don't hesitate to let me know. Let me see what I can do, if I can be able to bring you up through here and see if your name is on the list, and I'll bring you up to the camera. Then you make your own contribution. We are here to learn. Okay, we are here to educate one another. That's how it is. Understand? Make I refill my pour some more fuel. Now water, I beg. Man. No, sir, I'm going to talk over since 1 hour plus now. Almost getting to 2 hours now. So I have to motorway they run, then they put on fuel. You understand? If they drive motor no put on fuel, you go knock engine, or you go stop it for where no good. I don't remember I want stopping for where no good. Man, I make I want refill. So the topic is still on. The topic is it good for couples to be abusing themselves in the front of their children? That's number one topic. And the second topic is it right for woman to be in charge of the whole affair in the family? If you never talk stamp am, you never say no go stand. So please make your own contribution. The line is open for you to call in and say what you have in mind, and also you can send in your comments, and I'm here to serve you. I will read it out. So don't be left out. Just say your own opinion. Just make your own contribution. Try. If you want to call and it's not coming up, let me know. Let me see what I can do, if I can bring you up directly from this place. Please keep on sharing the program. Keep on letting them know that. Keep on letting your friends and your family know that we are dealing on a very important topic today. And I have a good news for every one of us here. I'll be having my first guest on this program first week of May. Like I said, the program have come to stay. All I need from you guys is your maximum cooperation. Let us cooperate. Understand? So my first step, I'll be bringing a man of God that will be teaching us as in. Okay, let me receive this call first. Okay, hello, you're welcome to the program.
Hello.
You're welcome to the program. Hello.
Good evening.
Hello. Evening, you're welcome to the program. What's your name, please?
Aisha.
Okay, Alicia Anita's. Okay. What do you have to tell us on the topic we are discussing today, please?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Are you there? Please, I have to call back. Maybe your network will be more better than now, okay? Sorry to end that caller. Maybe her network is giving a little bit problem. So please do call back. We really appreciate your call, and we also want you to call. Let us hear from your own point of view, your contribution, okay? Everybody is welcome to the program to make your own contribution, okay? Then Hishe said, in the topic of where the woman should be in charge of what is happening at the home, she said, if the husband is dead, yes, okay, we agree on that. Yes, I myself, I also agree on that, because women are the neck and we are the hair, and the men are the head. So when the head is not there, I think the neck will take over. Okay, that's a very nice point from Michelle. The white man always join us from Switzerland. She have just made her own point. She said, in a situation whereby the woman is in charge of everything that is happening in the home, that should be the case that the husband is dead. Yeah, she cannot take over, but not when the husband is still alive. You are not trying, because you are earning bigger salary than your husband, or you are earning more money than your husband. You will not like to, to be in charge, to be controller of the whole thing. No, it's never been done that way. You understand? So please, just, you understand? Let's caution ourselves in some things we do, okay? So please, like I said, keep on sharing this program. Let's hear from other people's opinion, okay? You understand? So the program is getting more interesting, and we still have at least 1 hour plus to go on this program. So it's still enough time for you to call in and make your own contribution. So please, if you want to call, make sure your network is good, and also turn on your lights. Let people see who is contributing and who is talking to them as well, okay? Like our sister said, that this week, no school, holiday. Easter holiday will be starting tomorrow in some countries, in some areas. Easter holiday will be starting from tomorrow, but definitely Easter holiday starts this week. We are entering from tomorrow. Some may start their own on Monday, some may start their own on Tuesday, some may start their own on Wednesday, but my own starts on Thursday. That's just the point. You understand? So my own Easter holiday will start on Thursday. So we still have more time. We still have a lot of things to discuss, and the program have come to stay. Like I said before, I'll be having my first guest in this program on 1st of May, first week of May. That's when I'll be having my first guest on this program. Please, whatever question you want to ask, whatever thing that is confusing you, that you need to know more about, please prepare them down and get ready for that program that very day. Just send in your requests, send in your questions. I believe my guests will be here to answer you and tell you exactly what to do. And I believe we all is gonna be happy. So I know you guys are happy about this good news to host our first my mentor, my reverend, and my life coach. You understand? Most of the things you see me do is what I learned from him, sitting under his preaching and under his teaching. So I believe I'll bring him live on this program for you guys to also benefit from him as well, because I know he have a lot of things to impart in us. He have a lot of things to tell us. So do yourself a favor, do your friend a favor, do your family member a favor by telling them to join us on the first week of this month you're about to enter. But before then, I'll still announce it that everybody will see it. I'll write it on my wall, and will write it and share it in different groups so people can be able to be aware of that, so they will join us and get their solution from that program, from that topic that very day. So we are still on this topic today. The line is still open. Please call and make your own contribution, and let us learn from one another. Thank you so much. I'm still waiting. The comment box is free, and the call app is always ready. Is always ready for you to call and have your own say. Okay, this one is coming from Erica, because like I said before, anytime you share right and Erica ENC, that means Erica is the one writing. Okay, this one, Erica said, look, you have a good topic, but people do not want to hear. You see, that's a very good topic, but people don't want to hear about this. No, but who have ear, let them hear, because it's not by force. You're not going to force anybody to learn. Understand? Learning is not by force, but I believe there's a day to come to. The person will know that yes, this kind of thing has been said before, and I overlooked and I overshadowed it. You understand? So, who wants to learn? Let them learn. Who don't want to learn? Fine. I'm not forcing anybody. We are not forcing anybody to join us in this program. Understand? But all I owe them for them to listen, and all you also owe them is for you to share the program and let them hear this program. If they like, let them watch. If they like, let them not watch. If they like, let them hear. If they like, let them not hear. If they also like, let them contribute. If they don't like, all still the same. But I have to do what I need to do. Time comes when they will look for it. Okay? So Erica, don't worry yourself whether they like to hear or not. Let's move on. So please, you can call in, make your contribution. The time is still 12 midnight. Whether they call, whether they send their comments, there's no problem. But I keep to my words. Once it's 12 midnight, we call it a day. Whoever that want to comment then should now go and comment. Who have time to read will now read by their own. For me, I cannot repeat it anymore. The only help I can help is that I'll put it on on our channel on YouTube. You can go to our channel on YouTube and watch the program when I was reading it and all those things. So that's just the simple truth about this. So the program is still on. Make your contribution, make your comments, or you can call and make your own view. Let's learn from each other. That's the purpose of this program. We are not doing it just to entertain people. We are doing it for us to learn from one another. So thank you so much for joining. Now it's just to 11. I still have at least 1 hour plus, because the program will be ending by 12 midnight. So I believe we still have more time. People can still join us, people can still hear from it, and people can also still contribute, because I believe some people went out for evening stroll Some people went out for evening drink. Maybe they'll be coming back by 11 or 11 something. So I expect to see more people from 11 to 12, but I will not take because of people are joining us. I will not leave the program till 12 or 1 o'clock. No, I cannot do that. Once it's 12 midnight, I stop the program so that people will now rest for the activity tomorrow. So this one is also coming from Erica. Erica said, leaves are vanishing. Trees, tree. Okay, let me take it again. Say, leaves are vanishing, trees too, but roots are remaining. Yes, yes, you're right, Erica. You just made a parable. Just said it. If they like, they watch. If they don't like, but the truth still remains. You understand? The root still remains. Leaves are vanishing, trees are breaking down. Understand? But the root of the tap root still remains there. So what she's trying to say is that either you listen to the program or you didn't listen to the program. The program have come to stay and it continue to stay and make the impact. And he also said that, in other words, he's trying to say that either you listen and learn to solve your problem and let everything go, or the problem will still remains there with you. So that's just the two things I understand by the parable she just made, because that's just a parable she just wrote like that. So please, you guys should know that you can call in, you can make your own contribution, and let's hear from you and hear what you have to say. The line is free. You can call in and make your contribution. Nobody is holding you from making your contribution. Don't just be looking. Contribute as well and let people hear you. Okay? That's just all about it. So, like, today's topic still remains. For those that are joining us newly, today's topic still remains. Is it right for couples to be abusing themselves in the presence of their children? Or is it right for parents to be abusing themselves, insulting themselves in the front of their children? And the second topic is it right for woman to be in charge of all the whole thing that is going on in the family, as in to be in charge of the family affair, controlling the man, controlling everything, the man going out and coming in? Is it right? So that's just the two topic we are dealing on today. We started doing these two topic not too quite long because of how questions and topics are coming in, so can be able to be meeting up with all those things. You understand? So that's just what we are dealing on today. So remember, like I said, I have a good news for all of us. I'll be bringing my first guest in this program first week of May. So please do yourself a favor to be on that program. That our guest will be talking, will be teaching us for like 1 hour. Then the remaining 3 hours, like he'll be teaching us for like 1 hour. Then 1 hour will be for questions he will be able to answer. You understand? He will be able to answer your questions and any other thing you have to ask, to learn from. He will be able to answer you for another one, and then the remaining 2 hours will be your own contribution, like we normally do it every Wednesday and Sunday. So that's how we're going to do it. I'll be throwing more light on this before then. I'll be announcing this before then. So you guys should get prepared, because it's going to have said it. If I'm not sure of it, I wouldn't have announced it here, because I've met with him and I've talked with him. He promised that he will be joining us. So then it's left for us now to begin to share the program and also let people know about it. You understand? So that's just the simple truth about it. So we are going to, the program have come to stay. You understand? We are going to keep on learning from each other. Nobody is perfect. You understand? So this one is coming from, the comment you have here is coming from you share. He said we are in two. Okay, we are in two. Okay, you understand? She and Erica is watching. Okay, that's why I said they are in two. Okay, there's no problem. Keep on watching. Keep on telling your friends. I know you always share the program. You are doing a great job. Essay, you share, John Paul, these people always share this program, and Serena Jen Franco, they always share this program. They always keep in touch to make sure that this program is going far, is going far and wide. Okay, So keep on doing the good work, keep on inviting your friends, keep on telling them about this. So I believe that it's more better than giving them money, because this word they are hearing today have a long way to go in their life. So that's just the point. So please, you guys have to, send in your comments, or you can call and make your own contribution. So thank you very much. You are still on the program. It's about 7 minutes to 11, and you guys should know that this program should be ending exactly 12 midnight. You're not going to exceed from that. So you have your time to call in now and make your contribution, because I believe this topic we are dealing on today is a very nice and a very tough one. You understand? All these I've been telling of cheating, relationship, love, all these are, but particularly today we are dealing on family issues. We need to correct some family errors that couples or husband and wife do in the front of their children, that's causing all this problem in our society these days. So please feel free to make your contribution. Feel free to call. I'll bring you to the camera, then you make your own contribution, and everybody will learn from that and also learn from you as well. So you are free to call. The line is always open, like the comment box is also open. You call, then I'll read it out, then people will hear what you're saying. That's just the way the program functions. Okay, so okay, like I said, marriage is just a teamwork, not a war front. Okay, and also I have good news for you guys. I'll keep on repeating it so that you guys will benefit from that. First week of May, I'll be bringing our first guest artist that will be speaking to us like a father. You understand? He's a father, he's a teacher, he's a mentor. Okay, he teaches and he also preaches. Understand? So I'll be bringing him on this program first week of next month. So you guys should get ready with your questions, with whatever you want to learn. He'll be talking to us for like 1 hour. You understand? Like a father. Then after 1 hour, then the remaining 1 hour is your um, question period. Understand? Or we're gonna be doing it question and contribution period, but it's gonna be he will be online for like 2 hours or 1 hour, maximum 1 hour. You'll be online for 1 hour. Then you are free to send in your questions and your your contribution. Then he will answer you and tell you. And this will be happening first week of April, first week of May, which is next month. So for the topic we are dealing today, if you don't know the topic we are discussing on today, you can ask me, or you can call in and ask me, and I will explain the topic for you, and then you will make your own contribution, and people will also learn from you, and we also learn from us. Understand? Because this program has been designed for us to tackle some issues, mostly the issues that are happening in family and some other areas. We have been dealing on relationship, love, cheat, and all the rest of it for months now. So, but today we take a little bit more step ahead, a bit step forward to talk about family issues, which is it right for couples, as in husband and wife, to be abusing themselves in the front of their children, whether small or old? Excuse me. And second topic is it right for the wife to be in charge of the house, controlling their husband, taking control of everything? So, in your own little way, or in your own opinion, what do you have to say about this topic we are dealing on today? So, I believe that this is a very nice topic. People need to contribute, and also we learn from. So, we'll build a better home and future for our unborn children. You understand? So, that's just the point. So the line is open for you to call in, and the comment box, you can still write in your comments what you feel like, as in what you feel to, you know, to share across that people need to learn from. Then I'll read it out, or you can call and make your own contribution through your own mouth, and people will hear you live and direct, because this is a live opportunity program for you to call and make your own point of view and say what you have in mind to say. Okay, this is almost 2 minutes to 11. Remember, the program ends 12 midnight. Even if nobody is watching, you don't know who's gonna watch it later, but believe me, I'm not gonna end this program. Even this nobody's watching. I'm gonna end it 12 midnight. That's just the simple truth. But I won't still forget to announce to you guys that as the program proceed, by special grace of God, not by my own power, by so special grace of God, I'll be inviting our first guest speaker on this program first week of May. You understand? So please, I'm using this medium, I'm using this opportunity to beg every one of you that in that day I'll be inviting this guest speaker. I would like you to, call in and ask him your questions to get what you want to say. If you hear from him direct, you understand? Not after he might have left, you will now start calling and be asking questions, because he will no more be there to answer you. So that's just the good news I have for you guys today. I'll keep on announcing it for the rest of this month until the first week of May, when we'll be inviting him over to speak to us as a father and also as a mentor, you understand, as a life coach. So you just get prepared, get ready. That very day, you will hear a lot of things from him that will help you in your marriage and in your life. Because I'm still working on the topic we are going to be discussing that very day. You understand? So no matter how it is, you're going to be dealing on two topics, and that two topic, by sheer grace of God, before that period, the two topic, I know that people might send it in, will do justice to that as we normally do it. So keep on sharing the program, keep on inviting your friends, and let them know that the program is still on. Understand? Now it's 11 o'clock. Wow, so we just have less than 1 hour now to end up the program. So whatever thing you're doing, sending your comment or want to call, this opportunity you have to do that, because exactly it's 12 o'clock. I'm sorry, I'm going to end it right there. Okay, so if you have the opportunity now to call and also to make your own contribution, the opportunity is now left for you to utilize it, because after it's 12, now we have 59 minutes, because we are counting down now. We are not more counting up, we are counting down now. So we don't even have up to 1 hour again. We just have some minutes now. Okay, so utilize or use. Okay, anyone, utilize or use. Anyone, you can pick anyone from that. This particular little time we have now, either to call or to make your own, or to write your comments. I'm here to serve you. You know how we normally do it. Once you send it in, I will definitely read it out and people will hear what you have to say. So the choice is yours now. The topic is still there. I know it's a very nice topic, but people are shying away from it. But that doesn't change anything. Anybody that may want to call, will definitely call and make their own contribution. So please, don't feel embarrassed, and don't feel that people are not watching. People are watching it, but they might not show up. You understand? But at the end of the day, you see that people are watching, because it surprises me that if you're doing the live, you just see like 2 people or 3 people watching, but at the end of the day, when you share the video, you see that about 500 or close to 300 people are watching it. So I keep on imagining how come, but we're just seeing only 200, we're just seeing only 20, 5, 10, 7, sometimes 15, sometimes 20, sometimes 30, sometimes 1, sometimes 2. But at the end of the program, when you share it, you just see that about 500 or 200 or something people have already watched it. How come? When did they watch it and how did it happen? So that should show you that people are watching, even if the number is not showing there. People are watching it secretly in the background. So that's just the simple truth. So whatever you sent in, I'll read it exactly how you sent it in. Or if you prefer, oh god, I'm so sleepy. Or if you prefer to make the contribution live and direct from, let them hear from the horse's mouth. I think that would be more better for you to call and let them hear you. You understand? So that's how I've been doing it for close to a month now. We started this program, or over a month now. We started this program. So keep on sharing it. Keep on inviting your friends. Let them contribute in this program. I've said it before that once I'm doing this live, nobody should call me. Nobody should call me, please. You understand? Nobody should call me because I'm not going to pick any call at all. That's just the point. If you're calling me, you're just wasting your time because I will not pick your call. So you better just leave the call after the whole thing. You can call me. You understand? So if you want to call me directly on this program, then you'll be given opportunity to make your own contribution. Then you say your own mind, your own point of view. So I believe today's topic is something that everybody needs to contribute and learn from. So that's just how it is for today. So we have now less than 56 minutes to go on this program. You have the right to call in now and make your contribution. So please, if you're the one calling me, stop calling me because I'm not going to pick your call. I'm so sorry about that. I will not pick your call, so stop calling me. I'm still on this program. Once I'm still on this program, you're calling me, you're wasting your time because I'm not going to pick. That's just the simple truth. So let's learn how to respect the call, respect this program. Please, I'm begging every one of you. Let's learn how to respect this program. Okay, this one is coming from John Paul. He said, "Good evening. You're welcome to the program." No, he's one of us, though I don't know whether he goes out today that makes him to come in to the program so late. Okay, but all still the same. You still have like 55 minutes to go. You have about 55 minutes to go. You need to make your own contribution. Okay, so the topic. Okay, the topic is, let's see if we have two topics like we always do it. The first topic is it right for couples to, is it right? Is it, oh, each other in front of, as in the parents insulting themselves or using kind of word that is not good to hear in front of their children. That's number one topic. Then number two topic is it right for women to be in charge of the whole thing that's happening or the whole family affairs and take control, take in charge of the family affairs, and they'll be controlling their husband? Is it right? So I think you get the topic right now. So I have like 54 minutes now. We have 54 minutes left now. You can make your contribution and let also hear what you think is the right thing to do. So thank you so much for that wonderful question which you said the topic. I've already said the topic, so we're expecting you now to do your own justice to the topic, to tell us what you think in your own little way, in your own point of view, what you understand or what you think that is the main purpose, is the main thing that should be done. Whether it's right or wrong, let us know your own idea, because we are here to educate and share ideas with each other. That's just the point. So I'm still waiting for you to ask your question or your contribution. Okay, we have caller in the building. Let's see what he has to say. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, welcome to the program.
Again, network problem since they come, man.
Maybe
I said
maybe
the
not,
network not good.
yeah, maybe not make people know to comment or to join the program today, because before they reach like 10:50 where they watch and all of a sudden everybody just waka. So but that doesn't discourage us. So what do you have to
My
tell us?
first start for the show of the whether is it right for woman to be in charge of everything for us.
Okay, start. Anyone you want to start
Bro,
from.
let's let's put it this way. When God was creating the heaven and earth, he said let's create man in our own image and
Okay,
likeness.
okay,
But when he want made woman, he said let us make a helper to the man, which is the woman.
okay,
After God already create the woman, God make the man as the charge of the head of the man, of the woman.
yeah,
The woman only dey in charge of things of house, but not fit dey in
okay,
charge of the man.
okay.
Woman not get right
But
over man.
but you know, say some women they do like say that then get the house if they never conclude on something, that man
Bros,
no fit do.
bros, that man a boy, not be man. He's a boy, not a man.
Abi,
Yeah, like seriously. Well, see, the Bible say the glory of a man, not their wife.
yes,
And God already put woman on that man.
yes,
The only Bible will say woman can build the house. That na for sure.
yeah,
The foolish one pluck it down. Any woman wey dey in charge of house na the foolish one. At the end, the house not stable. The house must collapse.
okay.
So it's not
So,
good when woman dey in charge of everything. The woman fit dey in charge of the affair of the children and everything, because most things the man dey go work, go the hustle.
yeah.
And the woman na dey take that na the woman dey take off their no see that.
There's something you have to understand in terms of this in charge that we are talking about here is that we here that are in Europe now we deal on with contract work. If in a
Yes,
situation whereby the amount contract has finished now, I know here in Europe if your contract finishes, it may take some months or some years for you to get another contract work again. And in that period now, you come saying that the woman now they provide money for the house, for the feeding, everything now. She would like to use that advantage now
bros,
to
bros.
oppress.
The Bible say in everything let woman be submit unto their husband. In
Okay.
everything, including your bank account.
Okay.
The Bible say man go leave the house, he go leave papa house and mama house. You go join
Yes.
the woman, they will become one.
Okay.
I don't know you understand me.
I
That thing wey that
understand.
woman get, na the man get am.
Okay.
The Bible say let woman submit to your husband. Everything wey you get, everything, in all things, including your bank, including that motor wey you get, everything, na the man get am.
Yeah.
So you know be say the man no dey work, say you dey work, you can't dey in charge of everything, you can't dey in charge of the man. It's a taboo, even from God, na taboo.
Okay. Then now like
Then for
that.
the other question,
Okay. You know the
for the
topic
other
now.
question, whether make good for whether na is it right for husband and wife to dey fight the throws of guy word for front of children.
Yes.
Bros, now you dey train your children,
Yes.
so they'll take grow.
Okay.
If pikin see papa wey dey beat mama today, if that pikin marry,
You go still
na the
beating.
same thing go still do him wife.
Sure.
Or na that the same thing na the girl go still do him husband.
Okay.
So
Hello. 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 Oh,
sorry now.
we lost that caller. Please call back again. Please do call back again. Network is wrong. Please do call back again. We are expecting your call. Okay, this is coming from you. You said what is wrong. Okay, you said exactly. Okay, you said the home is not complete without man. Okay, you guys have heard it. Oh, I'm not the one saying all these things. You are hearing it from their mouth, and they are also calling and you're hearing from their mouth direct and their comments, they put their name, I read it out the way it is. So please still make your own point of view.
I don't come back.
Okay, you're
I don't know
welcome
who,
back.
like, I just, the dog, that's just call me.
Okay.
I don't know
Now
which
what now what I just pass through for here all this while they just call the hang this program all this while, but God pass them.
Like what I talk, bros.
Yeah. The same call don't still come again.
It's very wrong. Me,
Hello.
you hear me?
Yeah, I want to hear you before it's in the hang.
And I person just disturb me with call. I don't know be the person, eh? It's very long. Me husband and wife, they trust cause for their children front. The parents of their children, they talk. Husband and wife, reasonable husband and wife.
Yeah.
If they get issue, they go settle am inside their bedroom, not be the front
Okay.
of the children.
Yeah.
They can settle it when their children don already go school, or
Yeah.
for night if their children don dey sleep, they can settle it.
But you know, say get some stubborn children, they will pretend like say they sleep, they need to sleep.
Bros, you know, nowadays, children room dey dey their own place. My husband and wife room dey their own place.
Now what I just want to hear with that, so you just talk now.
Nowadays, so the real reasonable couples not supposed to dey throw words into each other presence of their children. They will go the inner room, inner shower, go settle
Yes.
theirself. Yeah, so it's not
Okay.
good. It's very wrong because the Bible say train up your children the way they will go and the way they
Yeah.
old, they will not depart from you. Because husband and wife today with the fight today, I swear that the blood will enter their children.
Yeah.
And that be most of us they pass through now. Wait till our papa and mama don't do pass.
Yes.
Now most of those things that they worry. That's why they say they pray against traditional and bloodline.
Yeah.
That's it already day. So not good then, bros.
Okay, no problem. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Though you come in late, you will accept your apology. Say network no good, everywhere good.
Bros, the network, my phone just the hook and go your hook. I go restart am, man. Go hook.
Maybe now waiting cause many people no join us today. Maybe network there bad because now almost
Our weather today too strong, and the weather today for you too strong. The weather bad.
Rain the fall since morning now.
But it's not for you, but the cold there, the cold too strong.
Rain the fall for you since morning for years. Since morning, rain even beat me for when I go church today. As I even they come back, it still beat me. But still the same, like the glory of God. Okay, now. Thank you so much for that wonderful contribution. Okay, now later now. Just stay back and hear from others as well. Okay, this one is coming from Kenny Okoro. Kenny Okoro said, what is the topic? Well, I'll still repeat. The topic for today is it right for couples to exchange words as in to abuse themselves in the front of their children? That is number one question, number one topic. The number two topic is it right for woman to be in control or to be in charge in whatever thing is happening in the family or the family affairs? Is it right for only the woman to be the decider of what is happening in the family? So, in your own point of view, what do you think or what do you know? Guess. So that's just the two topics we are dealing on today. So you call in or you can send it through comments. I will read it out. Either you call in or you can send it through comments because the calling app is free. You can call in. You have the right to call in. I'll bring you to the camera. Then you say your own mind or your own opinion. We hear you out. That's just the simple truth about it. That's how we normally do the program every day. Let's educate each other is the topic, is the name of the program. Let's educate each other. That's the name of the program. And we are dealing on two topics today, which is first one is it right for husband and wife or couples to be abusing themselves in front of their children? And secondly, is it right for wife or woman to be in charge or in control of whatever thing that's happening in the house or in that family? So let's hear your own opinion. That's just it. topic we are dealing on. So I believe it's a very nice topic. Remember, the program will be ending by 12 midnight, like you all know that we normally end at 12 midnight. So nobody is left out. You can contribute. You can send your comments through contribution. You can send your contribution through comments or through call. In whichever way you choose to do it, feel free. In whichever language you feel you still wish to do it, you send it in. Then let's read it out and people will hear from it. Okay, Miss Grace said, hello everyone. Okay, you're welcome to the program. You're welcome. We heard you. Hello everyone. Hi, Miss Grace. You're welcome. We heard you. You're welcome to the program. So he said, Miss Grace also said, good evening to the house. Okay, the house accepts your greetings. You're welcome. So, okay. Isha said, hello, I'm back. Miss Grace said, what is the topic? Okay, the topic still remains. Is it right for couples to abuse themselves in the presence of their children? As a husband and wife, is it good for them to be exchanging words or to fight in the presence of their children? That's the number one topic. Then number two topic is it right for women or woman or wife to be in charge or control of whatever thing that's going on in that family, or to be in control of the affair of the family? Please, whoever is writing me should stop it. Is hanging the program, or whoever is calling me should stop that, please. I'm begging you in the name of God. I'm not here for child's play. Whatever thing you want to write me concerning this topic, don't write me on private. Write it here. I will read it out. People will hear from you and hear what you have to say. Then if you want to talk to me on private, then you have to give me some respect, some credit of respect until I finish this program. Then you can write me in private and talk to me. We can discuss about it. Okay, thank you so much. And also, for the benefit of those that are lately joining us, let me tell you guys to have a good news in the house. I repeat, we have good news in the house, and the good news I'm talking about is first week of May. I'm inviting our first guest to speak to us in this program. So please start preparing your topic, start preparing your questions, start preparing your ideas, your opinions. So he'll be here live. I'll bring him live on camera. Then you can be able to send in your comments, your questions. Then I will read it out. Then he will answer us. He's a mentor, he's a preacher, he's a life coach. You understand? He's going to be here to educate us, because the program is all about let's educate ourselves. Understand? So I believe he will have a lot of things to give us out that very day. So keep on sharing the program, keep on informing your friends, keep on informing your family, keep on informing your well wishers that there's a program you're introducing to them. They should join us, and they will never regret joining us on this program. So we still have a limited time now, because as you all know, we'll be ending this program by 12 midnight. So let's keep on sending our comments, and also our topic still remains: is it right for husband and wife to be fighting in the front of their children? That's number one topic. Then second topic is it right for wife or woman to be in charge or to be in control of whatever thing that's happening in the family, as to be in charge of the whole family affairs? So send in your comments. If you cannot write, you can just call in. Let everybody hear you live and direct. Okay, so like we said, we start this program every Wednesday and Sunday from 9 p.m. till 12 midnight. So I think we have a lot of time to contribute, to make our calls and make everything go smoothly. So that's just the point. Oh God, I'm feeling so dizzy and sleepy. But all is well. So the line is still open. The comment box is also there open for you to comment or send in your own ideas. And I will read it out. I'm here to serve you guys. That's just the simple truth. Okay, this one is coming from Miss Grace. Miss Grace said, no, it's not right for husband and wife to fight each other in front of their kids. Because if they do so, they are teaching the children bad thing. Okay, that's one. It's coming from Miss Grace. Okay, this one is coming from Kenny Okoro. Said it's not right for couple to insult themselves in the presence of their children, but the woman can provoke the man to the extent of insulting themselves in the presence of their children. But as a man, no matter how the wife or how your wife provokes you, you have to tolerate it. Okay, you just said what I want to say. Said you by so tolerate. Okay, you just said you have to tolerate. You have to be patient. Don't be so much filled with anger. Sometimes there are some things you have to overlook and let it go. Then later, when everywhere is calm, then you call your wife in order and okay. Oh God, I'm so tired. You call your wife in order and talk to her. Believe by that she will listen to you, she will hear you out. So doing that in front of those children will destroy your home and to also destroy the future of those children. So believe me, the best way is for you to let it go for that moment and let peace reign. Then later, last, finally, then you call your wife in order and said, okay, this thing you did, I don't like it. I'm not in support of that. No, you guys should talk it over, and that should be in your own private place, in your own private time, not in front of those children. Because whatever thing you do, they are learning. Even the sucking baby is also learning. You understand? So be mindful of what you are doing. Oh God, I need to sleep. I'm feeling dizzy. Yes, Eric, I'm so tired. I'm stanco, serious. Stanco, see, I'm so moto stanco, see. But we'll have to, finish up the program since he's stopping by 12. You understand? So we just have about 34 minutes left. So within the 34 minutes, I know that we'll still have some other things to do, to receive call and also to hear from other people as well. Okay, we have another caller in the building as you are adding. You say, what's the topic, bro? Okay, you should said sorry. Okay, no problem. I have to do it. I don't have any other option. Okay, this one is coming from Saint Chuku JP. Said, what is the topic, bro? Okay, the topic is it right? Okay, he's calling directly. Let me bring him to the camera, then I will explain the topic for him live and direct so he can be able to get me. Okay, you're welcome to the
I
program.
greet you, bro.
Yeah, you're welcome to the program. Hello.
Though
Hello.
I came late. I was not
Okay.
at home, so I'm just coming in now. So
Okay.
what is the topic?
Okay. The topic
What
of
is the
today.
topic so that I want to chip something in?
Okay. The topic for today's program is
I can see.
that I'm trying to let you know. Just hold on. Let me tell you the topic of today. The topic of today, we have two topics we are dealing on. The first one is is it right for couples to hello? Hello, are you there with me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Okay. The topic for today is Is it right for couples? Is it right for couples to be fighting in front of their children? And the second one is it right for women to be in charge of what is happening in the family, to be in control of the family affairs?
Mm, you know, man is the. Let me answer your second topic. Man is the head of the house.
Okay.
So you get me.
Yeah.
So it's not good for man. It's not good for a woman to be leading a man.
Okay.
So it's a taboo.
Okay.
It's a taboo. It's not accepted. Are you
Okay.
getting me? It's not
Yeah.
accepted.
Yeah.
Even the
I've taken
Bible,
it.
even the Bible said it. It said man is the head of the house.
Okay.
So if in a society or in a place whereby woman don't look this Europe system. They say woman is the woman can in fact they gave women so many rights. We are Africans. We know where we came from.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? We are Africans. We know where we came from.
Yeah.
It's not a good thing for a woman to be leading the family.
Yeah.
Even though the woman is the breadwinner of the family.
Yeah.
At least you show that man that respect. You
Okay.
give that man 100% respect. You
Yeah.
understand? Because you are
Yeah.
the breadwinner of the family. Because of that one, you are now riding on your husband. You don't show him that respect. So it's not done. You
Yeah.
understand? You know, most of our people in this Europe,
Yeah.
they forget the culture. They forgot the culture, our culture. So they came to this Europe and begin to start misbehaving.
Yeah.
I understand, because they say, okay, women have rights for some kind of things.
Yeah.
They are using that privilege and that opportunity to ride on our African men. It's not
Yeah.
good. It's not a good. That's why you see most of our men, they go to Nigeria to go and marry because
Yeah.
of this law the Europeans laid on the ground. Because you cannot expect a man that will marry a wife, his wife. Then at the end of the show, the wife will be maltreating him. It's not a good thing.
No.
So it's not a good thing. So that your topic is a clear topic. It's not a topic that somebody will not come to here now, will not be talking against me that what is this boy saying?
Okay.
Why would this boy say such thing?
Okay.
We are Africans. We know
Yeah.
our culture. We know where we came from.
Yeah.
So let's leave Europe matter aside.
Okay.
So it's a taboo. It's a big taboo for a woman to be controlling a man.
Okay.
No matter the position the woman is, no matter the benefit, no matter what he's doing. You understand? No matter what he's doing, no matter the position.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Man is the head of the house.
Yeah.
You understand? Man is the head of. So your first question, you said something just. I said
The first question is it right for couples to be fighting in front of their children? Or
is this
abusing
right
themselves
for
in front of
couples
their
to be
children?
fighting
To be
because of their
abusing,
children? I
to
don't
be
understand.
fighting, to be abusing themselves in the front of their children, to be abusing themselves in the front of their children.
It's not a right thing for couple to be abusing themselves in front of their children, because anything you do, the
Yeah.
children will emulate from those things. Are you getting me? Anything you do,
Yes.
the children, they are emulating from those things. Maybe for example, now you are a man, you always
Yes.
smoke. You always smoke. Okay, if I thought you want to smoke, you must not smoke in presence of your kids,
Children.
because
Okay.
one day they will try it.
Yeah.
You understand? One day they will try it. So all these things, all those bad behavior, the children learn from it. I watch a video, not
Yeah.
quite long. I watch a video. I
Yeah.
saw a child was like he went ahead, was like he want to sleep with his younger sister. I was like, how did this child get this experience? Because he caught, yeah, because to my own observation, I know that he caught his parents doing such thing. So you want to practice it. Are you getting me? So
Yeah.
it's not good for couple to be fighting in presence of their children, because they are not showing good example for their children. It's not a good thing at all. If at all you have issue with your wife, you need to iron it indoor. Don't bring
Okay.
it and leave children aside. That's why you see most people if they are living in an apartment, they always create like one room for the kids. Then husband and wife will be in their own room, because of there's a kind of things you want to talk to your wife. You don't want your children to be in that spot. You understand?
Yeah.
So it's not good. It's not an advisable. I love this topic very much. I
Okay.
love this topic. It's a very
Okay.
good topic.
Yeah.
You
Thank you.
understand?
Okay. Thank you so much
I
for your
greet you.
wonderful contribution. Yes. I hope you will stay around and hear what other people have to say. So thank you so much for
I
that
greet you.
contribution. Okay. Now, bye.
You are
Okay. So you guys have heard what Saint Chuku JP just said now, and he said it's not right and it's a taboo in our culture, we Africans, for a woman to be riding on her husband. So the line is also now open for you to call in and make your own contribution. So please, I've been saying all this since we started this program around 9, and people have not been calling and people have not been making their contribution. So please, if you want to call now, make it quickly, because have about 26 minutes to go on this program. I will not exceed that time, because if I continue exceeding that, and that means people will not be respecting the time we do this program. So our 12 midnight should be our 12 midnight, and our 9 o'clock or 9:20 should be our 9:20. Please, 9 o'clock should be our 9 o'clock. You should call on time and make your contribution. So the line is free, the contribution box is free for you to contribute and make yours understand your own point of view. Okay, let me quickly go back to the comment box. This one is coming from Lovett Johnson. Lovett Johnson said hi. Okay, you're welcome. And this one is coming from Yushe said, why are we not Christians? Okay, this one is coming from Ken Okoro. Ken Okoro said, if your child did something wrong and you beat him or her in the presence of your wife, and she's not angry with the way you beat the child, and she shouts at you in the presence of your child, what will you do? Okay, the only thing for me, the only thing I suggest you do is for you to caution your wife and said, if you don't take action on this child, he might still repeat it next time. You talk to her in a polite way in that moment. Then after, when everything has been resolved, has been solved out, and now you are in a particular place, as in your own bedroom, you can now raise up the issue again and tell your wife that he should never try such a thing again, that child is also your child, that you have the right to beat and caution that child in a way that she or he will learn, because you are not beating that child to kill that child, you are beating that child to correct that child, because Bible also say that spare the rod and spoil the child, or spoil the child and spare the rod. So you understand? So you beating that child doesn't mean that you're going to kill that child. No, you are a human as well. You know the kind of beat you're going to beat someone, and you correct that person, and the beat you're going to beat is for another thing altogether. So that's just what I have to contribute in that your question, the analysis of what you just said now. So even if your wife got angry and shouted at you at that moment, the way you beat that baby, you yourself as a man, I know it is an embarrassing word, but comport yourself and talk to her in a polite way, so that it will not create more gravity, or it will not create more problem out of that. So, but when you guys are together in your own private, then you caution her in a proper way, in a rightful way. So I guess that's the only thing you have to do at that moment. So I believe I've answered your question, but if I don't still answer the question well, and anybody in the building or anybody in the house have something else to chip in what I just answered our brother Ken Okoro, please, you can equally do so, because we all are here to learn, you understand? But remember, now we have limited time, because this program has been on since 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, and now we are entering to the fourth hour. Hello, you're welcome to the program, Sister Lovett.
Hi, Ross. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening to you. You're welcome. This one we're inside blankets. I hope everywhere is stew. Everywhere. Okay, now pepper soup, not the chop for Germany. I hope everywhere pepper soup.
No, the shop of soup for Germany.
But now, one of them sing everywhere pepper soup for Germany now.
That one color, not nothing what you have to do. The pepper.
Okay, now welcome to today's program. Let's deal on what we're talking about today.
Okay. I heard about the topic about um I don't know where to
This way,
start from.
if you start from the last, if you start from the beginning, anyway, if you like to start, just start anywhere at all.
Okay, why is this topic?
The topic is it right for couples to be abusing themselves in the front of their children? That's number one topic. And the second topic is is it right for women to be in charge of the family affair, to be in control of all the whole thing that is happening? If the man do go this way, you complain. If the man do this way, you complain. Just they control the man up and down. Because say now they bring food money and all the other. Because say the man lost his job. Let me not go in detail. Just
Okay,
contribute.
for a little I know,
Okay.
for the couple abusing themselves in front of their kids is very bad. Like
Okay.
anything they did, they're going to take it to school, or they're going to tell their friends that look at what their mommy and daddy is doing at home, which is very
Okay.
bad. At least I
This first
watch
time.
movie
Yeah.
every
Yeah. This
day.
first time someone is saying this now. Okay.
At least I watch movie every day. At least what they did at home, maybe both of them are shouting. Maybe they also go to school that is how my mom used to shout at my dad or something. That is how my dad used to beat my mom. It always
Yeah.
happen like that. Most because we think that the children they are not wise, but they are smart because they are just a kid. But when they go to school, they're going to show it to their friends or their classmates, which is very bad. At least even though
Yeah.
you are doing something, if both of you are quarreling or you guys have misunderstanding, I guess you have to tell the children to go to their room, or you guys have to leave that place, because that children they are so very wise. Their brain is smart past you. You think maybe they don't know what you are doing, but when they will get to school, they're going to agree. They will say that look at what my mom and my dad used to do. This is how my mom used to beat my dad. This is how my dad used to shout to my mom. As
Yeah.
it's very bad. At least as in a right couple, as they say train a child when he will grow, so that he will grow, he will not depart from you. As a good mother, as a good parent, when you want to bring up your child, you have to bring it in a good way, something like that.
Okay. So what about the second topic that says, is it right for women to be in control of the affair of the family?
Like for me, for my own
Mm.
opinion, I guess it's very
Yeah.
bad. This the
Okay.
main, as in, they say the man is the head of the family. At least Europe have spoiled a lot of things. Even though we get married today, at least on once, we should be able to respect our husband or somebody you call your lover or something like that. Because in Europe, they don't care about tradition anymore. Then you will see married women sleeping around with small, small boys. They don't care about the tradition. Everything have spoiled, everything have turned around, which is very
Yeah.
bad. At least, even though you are dating a guy or you get married, your husband lost a job or something like that, that is not the end of the world. They say, and the downfall of a man is not the end of life. It's before the first time. It's definitely going to rise up again. As
Yeah.
most people did not believe on that. I think maybe if the person fall the first time, is not going to be able to stand up again or something like that, which is very bad. For my opinion, although for the better for worse, say marriage is better for worse. If it is
Yeah.
sweet, if it is bitter, you guys have to take it, you guys have to deal with it. At least you guys have to pay respect to the vow of the marriage or something like that. If you do not love the man, which need do you went to the marriage at? And my pastor we said, do you love him? Yes, I do. Or better for us, yes, I do, which is very bad. Like in Europe here, for me, if you see mostly marriage in Europe, you yourself you retire. As in talking about marriage, this is not marriage again. It's just like a child play because they don't
Yeah.
respect their husband. As in they don't respect. Oh, you see, most talk about marriage. It's just few of them in this Europe that live in their husband, as hundreds of them have divorced their husband. They don't want to stay with them, all because of waiting. I beg you, George. They don't want to stay in their marriage house or something like that. Looking for small, small boys, maybe say go they fuck them, they go for what's that Germany? They are stupid for me. Oh, I'm not gonna do that. Even though I get married today, At least if I did not like the man, say, I don't like you. As in, go to divorce, not the one that will go do rubbish. With my husband, if I marry somebody today now, maybe I live in Germany now, my husband go to Kaduna, me they do Sokoto, they go, my husband they don't know, which is very bad. You know, one lady that day I saw. Can you imagine this lady have 2 kids? Is sleeping as in the lady live in Germany here. Now for France, now person for call they meet am, make they pay the boy when the boy they fuck up his ass. Your husband they Spain. What do you want call that one? Not be rubbish after there's not marriage. That is very bad. At least a lot of things have happened every day.
Now, wow, it's not easy. Well,
Talk
all still
about
the
marriage
same.
with you. This is not marriage, as in it's just like they are just playing. They are still learning. Like it's not like our mother's age, like they will stay in, like my great grandfather is not in this modern life. This modern life. Talk about marriage in Europe, my dear. I did not see marriage in this Europe. It's just like we are just wasting our time.
Okay.
Fucking time. I did not blame any guys. So most of these guys that go back to Nigeria to go and marry, I not blame them because why? Because of what girls used to do. If you talk to them today now, you toast come out today, you tell you say, I beg Joe, e no fair. Or if you not carry dread, you not get this one, you not go follow, you not get money. Or if the boy not the rare Oma Jeep, you know the rare Bugatti, you know say the boy rich or something. I'm not gonna blame them. For me, guys, you guys should just carry on. I'm a girl. I swear to God, I wish I be boy. Bring for taste of our girls on this life. I for do me. I for do get shake the work. Maybe say they don't go. I wish now boy I follow come. I for so like I'm not like you. Hey God.
Okay, my sister, thank you so much. I really love your
Okay,
comments.
now that is my opinion.
Yeah,
As that is
yeah,
what I
thank you
have
so
to
much.
say.
Yeah, I hope you stay back and hear from other people as well. Thank you so much. Though
No
you
problem.
come a
Now.
bit,
Bye.
I go flog you. Say come late too. She no. All right, now good night. Just watch around and see what people have to say.
Okay, no problem. Now bye.
Okay. Yeah, bye. So the line is still open for you to call and make your own contribution. You know, now I want to close the program. Now people are now watching, people are now coming on. What is going on, boss? How is this program?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Erica.
Good evening.
Evening, Erica, you're welcome.
Yeah, I was listening to the last talk. This woman, I was a bit offended because I'm a white lady. I'm not going to bed with young ones. I'm not a Puma, and we are not all the same. And
Okay.
also African women, like this woman, she was talking. They misbehave. They go with other men, and I don't like topics like this because this is not the topic we have today. But I
Okay.
want to say something.
Okay.
My grandmother was married for 65 years. My mom too was married for a long time. I was married for a long time, and it was
Okay.
not my fault, like I told you before.
Yeah.
I'm really offended because topics like this I don't like because they are wrongdoers in Africa and they are wrongdoers here in Europe.
Wow.
Is it right or not?
It's not right because some of these people they only use their brain. They just feel like everything's all about money. You understand?
Yeah,
So everybody are not the same.
yeah.
So it depends on life.
But today it was a bit less people. Now it's starting.
Yeah, now that I want to end now, like, people are start watching it now. Look at it now.
Yeah,
Before we are like nobody's watching it, but now look at it, people are now watching it now.
yeah, it's good. I'm
So
happy.
what do I do?
Okay, so I leave you and bye bye. Yeah?
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, thank you so much for your
Bye.
contribution. Okay, now bye. Okay, that's one come from Erica all the way from Switzerland. Okay, she just made her own contribution now. So, guys, you see what we are talking about. All these things that are happening, we should caution ourselves because it's the kind of foundation we lay for ourselves now is what our children are going to take from. So this one is coming from Eric. I said, what are you talking about? Okay. This one is coming from Festus Valley Omon. He said, Festus Valley said, nice, strong story. Okay. This one is coming from Festus as Valley said, just laugh out loud. So You are still on the topic. If you know what you have to contribute, I will still have we still have 13 minutes because I said it before. Even if 1,000 people are watching it now, I'm not going to exceed that 12 midnight I said, because if you really want to participate in this program, please, let's keep a date. Let's keep a time. It's not a big deal. Starting this program by 9 o'clock, ending it by 12 midnight is not a big deal. You can call in and make your contribution. I've been here all this time, all this while, since 9 o'clock. You check it. I'm even getting more tired because since 9 o'clock I've been here. No one has been calling. People have been doing one or two things. And now it's just about 12 minutes to end the program. We start seeing 13 viewers, 14 viewers, 15 viewers. Where have you people been all this while I've been doing all this program? But all still the same. The comment box is still free. The caller, you can still call and make your own comment, because maybe I don't know what you have been doing before that makes you guys to come a little bit late, but nevertheless, all still the same. Still have time to make your own contribution so that people can also learn from what you have in your own opinion or what your own idea is all about. But remember, I'm not going to exceed this program beyond 12 midnight, so that people that are going to work will be able to go to work tomorrow morning. And if you feel like you need to participate in this program, so join us on Wednesday, because after today it will be coming back again on Wednesday. I'll be doing this program again on Wednesday. So participate on it and make your own contribution. But nevertheless, you still have like 6 minutes now to go, because the remaining 5 minutes I'll be using it to round up. So you can call in now, or you can send your comments. I will read it out immediately for you to understand what you are doing. In case the topic we are still dealing on is it right for couples to abuse themselves in the presence of their children? That's the number one topic. Then the second topic is it right for women to be in charge of the home in presence of their husband? They will be the one controlling their husband. So that's the topic, the two topics we are dealing on today. So if you have anything to tell us, if you have anything to contribute, you are free to do that now. We have 5 minutes left. Within that 5 minutes, at least you can be able to contribute something. You can be able to, say your own ideas, share your own ideas with us. Let us also learn from you. But in case you missed this program, I have shared our YouTube channel for where you can get all the program been doing all this period. Get over a month now. We started this program. You can go to the YouTube channel and watch all of them and see the point where we are and see what I've been doing so far. So that's how it is. And you can also subscribe it, so at any time we upload new topic or a new program, you can be able to get it live and direct, and also listen to what people said. Because as we do it here, you send in your comments, I'll read it out, or you can call and everybody will hear you. That's how we do it. So we have 4 minutes left. So within these 4 minutes, I believe you guys have something to still contribute before I will round it up for today and see you again on Wednesday. So we still have 4 minutes left. The time is fast spent. And the comment box is still right there open, and the live video, as in the live call, is there. You can call in and you'll be brought to camera for you to express your own point. So the topic still remains: is it right for couples to be abusing themselves in the front of their children? And second topic is it right for wife or women to be in charge of the family affairs all alone, to be in control of everything? So let me quickly go back to the comment box, and this one is coming from Festus Valley Festival. Just laugh out loud. And this one is coming from Prince Omo Brown. Prince Omo Brown said, nice one. Okay, thank you for that. And this one is coming from Best Guy. Best Guy said it's not right for a woman to be in charge, because even the Bible says that man is not that man is okay. Even the Bible said that man is the head of the home, and the woman is just a helper. Okay, that one come from Best Guy. Okay, Best Guy have made his own contribution. Guys, you still have 3 minutes to go. These 3 minutes can still help you to call and make your contribution. If you can't write it out, you can call and contribute on the program, or you can go through the comments that have been coming so far. We have been reading it so far and hear what people are saying. And this one is coming from Jerry. Jerry said, not art. Okay, not art, not art. I don't really understand what you mean by not art, but everywhere good. Everything is still perfect. It's still going well. We have 2 minutes left. So please, from these 2 minutes that are left now, I can accept call. Only thing I can be able to do now is only to read out comments. I'm sorry, I can no longer accept calls from these 2 minutes that are left now, because I'll be using the remaining 5 minutes to round it up. So whatever thing that you have to comment or have to say, please write it now, this particular moment, because once I round up, once it's 12 o'clock, I'm going to end this program. So if you love to contribute again, please contribute, save your contribution and make it known to us on Wednesday. But if you still have the opportunity to write it out, as I'm doing the conclusion, you're able to write it down, send it in when I was doing the conclusion. Before I go, I might quickly read it out. I sleep don't even know will help me yourself. I don't even know. I might quickly read it out before I go. So what am I trying to say is that please, let's caution ourselves. This age we are in now is time for us to buckle up and make a better place for our children, because our parents, they have already made that mistake before. Let us not repeat that same mistake this time around. Okay, this one is coming from Ekele Okoro. He said, nice one. Okay, thank you so much. I think at this juncture, I have to begin to draw it to an close. So if you are still sending your comments, you can send in your comment, but please don't call, because I will not pick that call if you call it. Just send in your comments. Comment is okay. Comment is enough. Okay, let me draw it to a close here. So for me to round up today's program, I will not forget to say very big much thank you to every one of you that will join us for today's program, starting from the very first minute to start this program to now we are drawing to an end. I say thank you so much for being part of us on this program today, and also do have a date with us again on Wednesday starting from 9 p.m. Okay, we end it as 12 midnight, like all you all know. Okay, for me to round up, I have to say this: please, never you abuse your wife or your husband in front of your children, whether small or big. Those children, they are learning. Though our parents may have made that mistake in the past, this program have come to teach a lot of things to each and every one of us, understand. So please, anyhow, try and hold yourself. Try and hold yourself and go in a quiet place and settle it out within yourself. Doing it in front of your children can never bring solution. It will only also worsen the issue. Like you hear what our second to the last caller said. He said when they go to school, they will practice it among themselves. They will say, okay, let me do what my dad used to do to my mom. They'll start beating beating, if they're the one that beating their wife, their kid will start beating the fellow kids in school. If they are the one that exchange words, they will start exchanging words. They would like to practice what their parents are doing at home. So please, for the future of those children, for the future of unborn children and those ones that are sucking breast, please save them some shit, save them some crabs. Okay, settle your shit within within yourself, indoors, not in the presence of those children. Okay, because if you start doing those things in the presence of those children, you are destroying their future, because they will end up beating their own wife, or they will end up insulting their own husband, because they say it's whatever you sow into a child, it will come up, it will grow up germinating that. Okay, please, that should be in the case of not abuse. You should stop abusing yourself in front of your children. Then for the area of women being in charge of the home because your husband lost their job or anything at all, please, it's very very wrong. Let's call a spade, okay? It's very very wrong for a woman to be in charge of everything. You understand? That your husband lost his or her job today doesn't mean you will not rise up tomorrow and get a better job, okay? Be a support, be a helper, like Bible say you are a helper to that man, not a prisoner, as in not a killer. You're a helper, not a killer, okay? Help him to achieve his dream in life. Help him to achieve his goals in life. Even if you have money more than your husband, link him up. That money you have, you cannot stay, you cannot live forever in this earth to enjoy it. It's what you invest on someone that will be count for, not what you're able to invest. You're able to create more enmity. It won't count, it won't go anywhere. So please, let's try as much as possible to understand that those women are just helpers to us. And for us men, please let me also advise, please don't take advantage of that we are the head of the family. I will now start taking that as an advantage to maltreat your wife or treat her bad. She deserves her own respect. She's a human being like you, despite that the sex matter of a thing changes. She's a woman, you're a man, but we are all human beings. Everybody deserves to be treated right. Okay, treat your woman right, and she will give you the best home you ever dream of, you ever plan for. Because they said, it's whatever you give out is what you will receive. For instance, take what if you give your woman belly, you will bring out baby for you, which will put a smile on your face. But if you don't give am belle, how she wan take born, she no go born. So that's exactly what's happening in that area of treat her right. If you treat her well when you have that money, because one day or something might happen, breeze might blow and blow that money away from your hand and blow it into her own hand. So if you have that money and you never treated her well when you have that money, how would you expect her to respect you when you don't have that money anymore? So please, as I'm advising you, I'm advising myself as well. So please, let's learn from each other, and God will continue to bless us. So I will not end this today program without making the final announcement on our first guest on this program. I've concluded, and I'll be bringing a man of God and a life coach and a teacher. He's my mentor. As in, I learned a lot of things from him, sitting under his preaching, under his teaching. His name is Reverend Dr. Precious Osadege Odigie. He'll be being part of us first week of May. Okay, just do yourself this favor by joining us on that program. Invite your friends. Tell them that you are inviting our first guest on this program. We'll be inviting more, but let's just start with him first of all, because we cannot just. In fact, let's just start. We have a lot of things to impart in our life that very day. So please join us first week of May. He'll be on live with us for like 1 hour. So prepare your questions, prepare your contribution, or what you are getting confused about. He'll be here to answer you. So you ask him, I know definitely he's going to give you solution to what you are looking for. So thank you once again for joining us for today. We are going to close in this juncture. So join us on Wednesday as well as we deal on a new topic. Okay, sleep tight. I would have said you should sleep like a newborn baby, but if you go piss for bed now, or if you go do mistake, piss for bed, they will say, and Kris Nkume say, may sleep like newborn baby. And that's why I piss for bed, because small picking the piss for bed. So all I have to say is that you should sleep like a giant, okay, and wake up also like a giant that you are, okay. And I will never leave you without dropping my quote for today. My quote for today is, dream it, put it in practice, believe me, you're gonna have it, okay. Dream it and bring it to reality by achieving it, by putting it into practice, you will have it. So thank you so much for joining me today. My name still remains Kris Nkume, your presenter. But if you see add that DJ with the front, na my profession, I go see answer you, understand? So let us see again on Wednesday by 9 p.m. till 12 midnight. That's how we do it. Thank you. I love you guys. See you on Wednesday. Bye.